Uh, if anybody is working professionals in this workshop, it's good. And maybe most of the organizations they use Arif. Good morning, Prashant. Good morning, Shavir. Any question, you can use the chat window. We will talk together. I will unmute you, so we'll discuss. All right, guys. We will discuss. So let's continue today class, guys. Today's session. All right. So if you're a freshers, if you never know any AI, LLMs, generative AI, few terms you might felt very little hard, but that's okay. It wouldn't be so. I'll make things easy for understanding. Okay. So Anthropic Claude, let's start. So what is agenda? I planning for today's session is so the agenda is Claude Code. What is Claude? Good morning. Let's start. Okay, what's Claude? Claude ecosystem. In Claude ecosystem, we'll see. Okay, so in Claude ecosystem, we'll have three categories: Claude Code, Claude Chart, Claude Cowork. Understood, guys? And we will covered all the ecosystem. We'll covered all the ecosystems today's session. So we'll cover Claude Code, how to install Claude Code in your system, absolutely free. Actually, if you purchase this, its minimum pricing is $20, but I will tell you how to install the Claude Code in absolutely free and Claude Chart. In Claude Chart, we build one practicals where we use all LLMs. So I will use all LLMs. Those are not free; those are paid. But still, instead of that LLMs, you can use any other LLMs like Kimi, Gemini, which we have a free versions. I will tell you those things. And Claude Cowork, how the Cowork is works, and it's introduced recently. It's one of the powerful multi-systems platform where I mean how the teams are working together using help of Claude Cowork. We'll discuss. And in hands-on coding session, so we will be working on Cowork introductions, Claude Code installations using Olama. So how Olama is open source. So if most of them knows about it, even though anybody use Olama. So using Olama, we can download free LLMs locally and Claude Chart LLM using Sonnet because Claude introduced these LLMs, Sonnet, Haiku, Opus. So we'll build together along with Fast API. All right, team. And Claude Cowork, in the Claude Cowork, how to access the desktop folders using Cowork. And I want to build a dashboard from local file, and I'll tell you how the jobs are automized, what is the reason for the firing going on, and what is the reason and why these agentic AI tools helping a companies to fired employees and gain more salary. Okay, more revenues, guys, based on the years, physical years. And also we build dashboards from local file, how to build dashboard local file without writing any code. You can connect to the Cowork and build local file and build dashboard from URL using Cowork, all those things. This agenda for today's sessions for whole course. This is only for today's agenda, man. Why you talk about whole course? Shiv Shankar, this is only for today's agenda. Okay. So the next one, before you ask a questions, please ask valid questions. We will discuss and we'll work together. So it's a lot of learning today because if you watch my previous classes, previous workshops, every workshops I delivered a practicals which would help you for your learning, guys. All right. So let's talk about that. Let me check whether the workshop is going on or not. Just 2 minutes on live. I'll on my mobile and check. So let's see if anyone has any comments. We'll go for it. Welcome, guys. Okay, got it. Okay, Ajay, you joined. Welcome. All right, thank you. Let's start now, guys. What is Claude? Ritesh, see, this is what ignoring question. It is recording is available. See, I do see many freshers are asking irrelevant questions. Okay, asking irrelevant question. So the session is for Claude. And in the comment sessions, the some of the learner are asking like when the DSAI batch. when CBAT start, isn't it? It's irrelevant. So this is what something which is disturbing, guys. So I would request, if you are little wise guys, if you have common sense, so please understand and we will continue. And rest of the topic we'll talk at last. Yes, guys. Okay, who's this guy asking this? I'm totally new to agent. Can I able to learn it from? So Tushar, you learn or don't learn, no problem. First attend and sit 2 hours and then we discuss. If you feel you are able to learn, you can learn. Everyone can learn, guys. There is no worries at all. All right, guys. Can you explain what is this? Open Claw, Kimi, Anshu. Can you ask a question? Or can we start, guys, before I answer? Anshu, OpenClaw also agentic AI. Kimi LLM model. Kimi LLM model used in OpenClaw. Okay, please start. I'm starting, but these guys are asking the questions, which is all right. So here, okay, team. So I'll ignore few questions for the time being. So then we will talk about. So please write down all of the question. Please write down all of the question, and we will continue. And we will continue. And let me tell you, if you're experienced guys, they're very frustrated. I mean to say they don't have patience. So if you have any work, so you can go and it is watching in YouTube live, and I'll explain slowly. I'll explain slowly because other learners are completely new and they don't know few things. So my job have to explain them. Okay. And I'm sorry that if you feel that very slow, if you feel very slow, then you can you can continue from watching live YouTube videos. Pretty clear. So I just instructions given because the experience I have. Okay. So Ashok, if you don't have coding, can we use Claude Code? Yes, you can. You can. That's what you can do that. All right, let's continue and we'll focus on what is Claude. So Claude is an AI, advanced AI chatbot developed by Anthropic. Who created, guys, Claude? Claude company developed by Anthropic. The way ChatGPT created by OpenAI, Gemini created by Gemini, DeepSeek created by DeepSeek. So Claude LLM also created by Anthropic. Got my point? Okay. Now the next one. All right, great. First point clear. So Claude is advanced LLM model similar to ChatGPT or Gemini. It is very advanced model. And trust me, most of the company people are using this Claude in the working platforms, but especially strong in deep thinking and long content understanding. Long content understanding means sometimes if you upload long PDF to ChatGPT, so might be ChatGPT behaves slow, isn't it? So when you upload a long documents to Claude, it perform well. It deep thinking. So if I ask questions to two of the students, one students immediately answer to the query, another students think very deeply and answer. So that's all about Claude is advanced LLM. So it has massive context windows. What is meant by context window? Every LLM model had some limitations. So ChatGPT might be understand for okay 1 lakh tokens, and after 1 lakh tokens it start behaving wrong responses. So the same way the Claude model can understand a long context window, it handling 2 lakhs tokens or more. So if till 2 lakhs token means what's words. When you write anything questions in ChatGPT, it print next word. So every token is called, that's called token. Words are called as token. So it has context window means every LLM understand up to the few tokens, and after the tokens limitations, guys, and after that new model has to be trained by LLMs. All right. So next one, can we upload log files at GB also? Claude can answer a few seconds. See, Vivekanand, it doesn't mean that you upload 5 GB, 1000 GB. It don't doesn't work, man. Yes, you can pay, you can use that. Understood now? All right. So Subir and Prasant, the one who raise your hands, we can talk to the later. Got my point? Okay. So Constitutional's AI, Anthropic trained Claude using unique framework, focused on safety, helpful, and harmlessness. So every LLM model try to increase the safety features for the client, for the developers, for the world. So this approach makes reasoning highly and reduce the likelihood of hallucinations. What is meant by hallucinations? Sometimes if any interview ask a questions, sometimes the question is confusing, isn't it? So here, try to these LLM model try to give proper response to the user to not confused. So if we ask any questions to the LLM models, the LLM model give right response and they're not confused and we are not confused. So that's called hallucinations and accurate output given wrong answers, but no, they never give wrong answers, but easy answers, the answers which user will receive from any LLM, it should be not, I mean, confusing. It should be clear, precise answer. Okay, advanced reason coding. So any model can code. Okay, any LLM model can generate code, but here the Anthropic AI generating very advancedly and very neat and clean. So this is one of the top Claude Code is top program. I mean top LLM choose by every organizations right now. So it is high capable, complex logic, data analysis, software development. That's why it is also IDE integrated to the Claude Code. Claude ecosystem. I hope guys clear. This is all about that. In the Claude ecosystem, so we have three part. The first one is Claude chart. The first one is Claude chart. Understood, guys? And Claude Cowork and Claude Code. So we have three ecosystem. So the what is Claude chart? The name itself you can understand. The Claude chart, it's a conversational AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Kimi for everyday question, writing, analysis, and it used LLM. So here, Claude chart model, the first one in the Claude ecosystem, we have three applications. The first one, Claude chart. It has three model, Sonnet model, Opus, and Haiku. Okay. This is Claude chart, or I can use it as Claude LLMs, or I can use it as Claude LLM. All right. So Claude chart models. All right. And next one, Claude Code. Claude Code. So in Claude Code, if you see this, a workspace tool is Mythos include yet. Mythos has launched but not published in Anthropic platform yet. But YouTubers, they talk anything, guys. So no worries to gain the view. Okay, Abby. So Claude Cowork. So Cowork space tool designed for a team, sometimes when you go for work as a team, so we hire a co-work space. Do you remember in every city we have a co-work space where we pay monthly bills of 300, 500,000, 2,000, and to get 1 hour 2 hour, isn't it? Co-work means we work together. So how the co-work tool designed for teams and analysts to work together on complex and multi-step projects, guys. I'll show you. This is Cowork is not a free, but I'll tell you, I don't want to pay for the time being. So just I paid. I'll show you few practicals on Cowork, few POCs on Cowork, how it works. And next one, Claude Code. A Claude Code is a coding assistance integrated to IDEs like VS Code, built specifically for developer to build software projects. Okay, so Claude Code is especially helps to build software projects, guys. So Claude Code is especially built for software projects, and all developers are using. It is not only AI developer, even though Java guys can use, even though .NET guys can use, even though cloud, anyone and everyone used by this tool. Okay. So first today we'll work on this. I hope you got the clarity. It's very simple. It's not. So I wanted to show you one simple diagram and then we'll get back to the start. So let's difference the three things. I wanted to share you, is it same as Copilot? Yes, it's more better than Copilot, Dinesh. So here, what is Claude AI? Claude Code, Claude Cowork. So Claude AI or Claude Chat, it is a conversational AI assistant, everybody writing code. So if you see this architecture, okay, prompt, I will share this document and this document will go for it. For example, we will build the Claude code. Shall we work, guys? Shall we work, everyone? So let's start now rather than let's start the first project we can work in. Claude introduce, okay, Claude install, okay, Claude LLMs. User can use two-way. For example, if you go back to Google now, just here, if you go back to Google, all right, and yes, let's work. So we can go back to Claude now, Anthropic. If you write Anthropic, so far we can use in local only, in website only, we can open chartgpt.com. Am I correct, guys? Chartgpt.com and gemini.com, they are the competitor. And then we have deepseek.com, they are the competitors, guys. The same way you can open claude.com. Okay, so claude.com, not locally, so you can go back to this one and go to Anthropic, click that. When you click, you can see this one, home Anthropic. Okay, you can log in that. This is your main home window. This is the main home window, and I'll go for try Claude. When you try Claude, so can you tell me right now, I am open in your local system or in web? Where did you open this UI now? Did you open in local or web, guys? We in web, exactly. So anyone can open in web. When you open in web, can you access your system file? No, you cannot access your system file. Are you get my point? No. For example, if I go to chartgpt.com, chartgpt.com, okay, let's call chartgpt.com, and you can ask, can you access my D drive file? Now, if you write this, no LLMs can, okay, no, I cannot access your D drive file. Are you guys get my point? Yes, team. So let's, I think I already purchased it. Can you access D drive file? Now let's try. And if you check, okay, now what is Claude saying, guys? What is Claude saying? I don't have Google Drive connected to the conversations. Let me check the connector. So there the co-work topic comes into the picture, and we will, I wanted to ask these questions. Everyone, please open the Claude AI or any LLMs as we're working on Claude. You go back to the Claude and you can ask, can you connect to the D drive? No, it cannot. Everyone is get my point, guys. So basically we are any LLM model. Let me write down the first point. Any LLM model does not access to your what, guys? Personal system or desktop. So to consider everything, Claude introduce a new tool, a new platform called Claude Desktop. Claude Desktop. Are you guys understood? So what I want you to do, so in prior classes, I took a lot of workshops. In previous workshop, I explain how MCP connected to Claude Desktop. Are you got my point, guys? So today, how many of them install? My question, does anyone install Claude Desktop except my student? Does anyone? Yes. So no. if I did Claude Desktop, I mean, I told you my students, they knows it, but about others, if you already don't, okay, if you have, that's fine. If you do not have, I wanted to tell you how to install. Let me tell you the steps to install Claude Desktop. So, are you guys understood? So the first time in LLM, in LLM era, the first company, the first company which is Anthropic introduced Claude Desktop, where LLM can work in desktop as well. Right now, maybe recently, also the Chat GPT introduced Codex Desktop. Have you heard the news? Codex Desktop. So right now in the world, there are two company introduced introduced two company introduce desktops LLM, guys. One is Anthropic, number one, and second one recently Codex Desktop, guys. Okay, so right now we go for Claude Desktop. Yep. So what do you need to do, guys? The first one is go back to Google, and if you didn't download, please download Claude Desktop. It's very simple. And how do you go back? Just click that, and here go to Google and type Claude Desktop download. So we are download LLM directly to our Windows machine or Mac machine, whatever machines you have. So we're going to download this one. Pretty clear. Just go back to this one and let me know if you already download, guys. Okay. So how do you download this? Let me tell you. I also introduce computer task, not same as desktop. Exactly. So here I'll go back to, do you see? If you go to Google, just now, look at that, what I done. So Claude desktop download, you just write it here. And once you write it, just download Claude and Claude by Anthropic. Just click that. When you click it, it asks, and it you need to fill few details and look at your, it is not available for Linux right now. No, Windows and Mac is there. Okay, I think Linux also there. So Windows ARM 4 download, no. Linux, it is not available for the time being. You can give in Mac or Windows. Okay, it's safe to use desktop versions. Everything's safe, man. Please listen, and then we'll talk to later. Okay, Mohammed. So that's why already company are using. So when you install anything, you so you have some safety checks also you can do when you purchase the licensing. They have norms, right, guys? When you give your Aadhaar card to the bank, so do you say, will you say it is a safe? Tell me, buddy. So what I'm trying to speak is you have some norms, bank has some norms, the agreement is there. So absolutely it is safe. Mohammed, are you clear? Next, talk about that. So you can download the Windows version. So once we install the desktop versions, what do you do now, guys? So Cloud Desktop, I mean, download and install, download and install. Now when you install, now try minimize that. So what we've been doing here, and now this is what Claude can open now. Do you see here the first one? And I can Claude. So Claude can install now on your local machines. Okay, downloading. So here, this is the way the files will be downloaded. It's very straightforward. There's nothing. You just open and download and it'll be fine, guys. Clear, guys, up to this? So this is what, now you can write a questions as I used some projects for my client. So no problem. So I have few versions, paid version, chart, Cowork code for you. When you, whoever install, whoever already you have it, do you see, will you see this three code, guys? Chart, Cowork code. Are you able to see that? Are you able to see that? Can you check in response? Are you able to see that? No, those are free plan. Exactly. So whoever already installed the Claude code prior in your system, you don't find chart core code. Got my point? So let's do that. If you see, But today we'll go for Claude Code. How do you work with? So you can hi. Now, when you work with chart, I mean, just 1 second. I'll go back to the chart and I can say hi. So when you say hi, how can I help you today? All right, guys. So first step, what we done today, the first step, what we done today, so everyone can install. Just give me a confirmations from all of the members. Trust me, I want everyone to stay till 2 hours. You learn a lot of nice things, and then we'll go back to okay, next topic. So today it might 2 hours, it might 2.5 hours. Just have some time, and the session is going on live. Just 1 second. I'll give you the live link. Just one moment. Just one moment. I'll give the live link so that just one moment. Here, just copy that. And here, I will paste it here. So this is the live link. Okay. So great. Exactly. So we'll do a lot of things. I'll tell you. So just okay. I'll share that. If anybody wants to share, you can share. What is the first step? Everyone is done. So just confirm me. Just confirm me. Did you team download Claude Desktop and desktop and check? I hope it's working and I hope it working. And it is absolutely free plan you are using, free plan you are using right now. Understood, guys? So free plan, it has three plan: Claude free and Claude pro plan and max plan, guys. Pro plan and max plan, we have three plans. So you guys are using free plan right now, and please test any LLM. It's working. LLM, it's working. Cleared the first one, guys. So today we'll go for Claude Code downloaded. Okay, so will it work in offline? Yes, it will work. It will work, Swaroop. It will work offline. Now you can try this. Second one, you can try. The second one is I wanted to install Claude Code. Claude Code using Claude Code using Olama. Let me tell you, if you go for Claude Code, normally the genuine way, I mean, developer has to in organizations need to pay $20, okay, to get these Claude Code version, these Claude Code versions. Today I will be telling you how to use both way. You can pay and you can, very simple, you can purchase and you can use by your free Claude Code using Olama. We can okay, we can work, guys. Claude can installations, we can do it. So today I'm going to go for the free version so that anyone can work, and you will see the code for any of your project. Olama free, exactly. Olama is a framework. Okay, Olama is a framework. Team, are you understood? So Claude Code have two versions. Claude Code has two versions. One is paid version and one is free versions. Paid version is very straightforward. You can pay and you can use, isn't it? But let's talk about free versions. But how to work with free versions? Let's try today. Promise me, I'll explain slowly. You work with me and let's try. I want everyone to install in your system and then you can work. First step, 3-1. How many of them has already installed Olama? First one, Olama framework. Please install Olama framework directly from Google. Directly from Google. So let's do that. I'll go here and we can write as olama.com. If you go back to the olama.com, Swaroop, listen first, then we will talk. Understood, Swaroop? All right. Sinfree Real Claude. Guys, in Microsoft Excel, Swaroop, in Microsoft Excel has paid version and free version. Am I correct or not? Windows, when your Windows operating system's corrupt, you go to the I mean, you go to the people, they are install it. Do you think are they install any? Both are same. Are you understood now? All right, let's go back to this now. Already installed. Okay, so whoever installed, that's fine. Whoever installed, that's fine. Whoever not installed, I'm talking to you guys. So very simple. How do you go for the model sections? And if you go scroll down, just go for olama.com and olama.com, and you can see that scroll down, download. So you can download, it's very straightforward. You can go back to the download. You have Mac, you have Windows, you have Linux. So you click on Mac, download for Windows and install it. It will take some time if you have done the first time users. If not the first time users, if you already downloaded, it's great, so that the work should be more faster. So the what is the first step is, just go to the Olama framework directly from Google, download and install. Are you clear, guys? So for the first time user, it might take some time for based on your internet speed, based on your internet speed. All right, this is the first time. After install, so how many of them are already installed, guys? GPU and RAM limitations, run LLM. So, Raz, I already had a previous workshop link. I will share you. Okay, locally via LLM. So, Olama is always best. Olama is a framework. In that framework, we install LLMs. Got my point? Okay, great. So the next one already down. Yes, I did Olama plus local install. Very good. Done. So whoever not done, okay, Subir and Prashant, we will talk at the last, guys. All right, no problem. So understood, guys. Let's continue. So if you are not installed, Olam already installed open source and very fast. Exactly. So guys, on if anybody, my existing students there, if any newcomers ask a question, you can respond if you know it. All right, let's go for it now. So Olama after installed, go back to the fourth one. Please open Olama documents. I want everyone's Claude download options not coming. Just wait, Anshu. Wait, I'll show you. Go back to the Olama documents. If you see the Olama documents, are you able to see the Olama documents, guys? Just click that Olama documents. I want you to open Olama documentation. So follow this. Whoever installed Olama, you can work with me. Olama install in model. Which one we should select? I missed step for Olama install model. No, I didn't explain, Ashwini. Now I'm explaining. Okay. So Claude download options. Okay, Ashwini. So everyone, first thing, please confirm me. Everyone install, download, or everything is done, guys. Okay. If you see that CMD prompt, go back to Olama, you will see these options, right? You see these options. Now you just come out for the time being. So you can write this. Now you follow me, what I'm saying. And if you listen, follow me, installing in progress. None of the links are appearing in the chat. Carl Scott, what happened? None of the links are appearing in the chat. Exactly. So you need to be wait some time, guys. What I'm saying, everyone, first step is go to Google, download Olama and install. The step is finished, right? What next step? Next step, I said go back to, this is Olama framework. You have a bunch of models here. You have a bunch of models, right? Yes. So you have a bunch of models. When you bunch of a model, go back to the docs. Go back to the docs. Please don't be hurry burry. So you just wait. And if you see the doc, just you see the documents called, you can scroll down. There is Claude Code. Have you see this Claude Code? I will share this document to the chart window. Can you please click this document? Can you please click this link, Olama document page, and click on Claude Code. So just click on this, guys. So if you do this now, yes, let me tell you, no need to be hurry burry. I'm sure it is going to be little because I am telling you how to use Claude Code absolutely free in your system. I want you to be patient. Please just calm down. Please just calm down, everyone. I promise you, we'll do it. I will answer everyone's query because it will have little setup. So I'll share you the documents for you. How do you do it? So my first thing, I hope you guys listening me. I hope you guys listening me. Everything I mentioned in the chart window, just follow me what we do, guys. So the first thing is I will click one link. Please open the link, guys. Fourth step. Please open the link. All right. Yep. Now, when you open the link, do you see Claude Code installation is coming up or not? So what you do, please share the previous work. I will share. I will share. I will share, Raj. No worries. Just follow this workshop and after that we'll talk. Okay. Okay. So now follow me right now. What is the first step we done? Go to Google, Olama, download, install. Done. Okay. Next step. What is next step? Click the link which I given to you. So Claude Code would be running on Kimi K2.5 Cloud. So for the time being, what exactly I wanted to tell again, olama.com. Just go to Olama model. So today I wanted to call this model K2.5. Whoever done, they're good. Whoever not done, just let's finish it quick. 1 second. Okay, Kimi K2.5. Kimi K2.5. When you Kimi K2.5, just wait. This model is downloading. Do you see this code? Olama run Kimi K2.5 cloud. Just copy that and go to CMD. CMD. Click that, guys, and hit enter. Everyone, click that and hit enter. So just close that. And when you hit enter, let's check. Hello, it's working very fast or not? Check. How many of them done the first step? Okay. So what do you do? Olama, Control G. What is the first step? I'll write down again the steps, guys. First step is download Olama and install Olama. First step. If you are hurry you never install, guys. And if you angry, you never installed. Okay, you need some calm brain to work this. Again, I'm saying, you got my point, what I'm saying? What I'm saying, if you're angry, okay, I want to finish quick. No, it's never happened. So I just want get some error. What is developer? We get some errors. It will not work. It will fix. If not happens today, no problem. I have my LinkedIn. You can connect with me and we'll work. Got my point, team? So whoever attended, if nobody understand, can anyone help to each other? Okay, but class is absent. The recording is going on in YouTube. You can watch it after that. First step, download Olama, install Olama from Google. Okay. Second one is open a CMD prompt, command prompt, and write Olama. After write Olama, it will work. It will work. Can you share the LinkedIn ID to sign in? Yes, Raj, thank you. So if it is asking for sign in after Olama, okay, it will work. You get some prompt and then write this code, guys. Control V, Olama, run. So now when you do that, it will asking for sign in to your Gmail account. So please sign in to your Gmail account. Please sign in to your Gmail account. There are few students who never study from the childhoods to till today, and they never do this practical, guys. Understood? So let's talk about that. It will asking for sign in. After sign in, if you sign in now again, paste this code and you can ask your prompt, paste the same code, and then the prompt will open. The prompt will open and you can test any prompt. You can write any question. You can write any questions. It will work. Please let me know how many of them done. Please let me know how many of them done. Ahmad, do it, man. Understood? Do it first. Just follow me what I'm saying rather than I answer your query. Understood, guys? It's working. Thanks. Vasu is working. May I know how many of them done? Okay, I'm waiting. So if I wait, it's going to be for next 7. I mean, it will take more time. It is running after I put in some. How many of them completed? A little slow. I know based on your internet, Avinav. Yes, completed. Good, 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 guys. Nice response. I got it now. Instructions are very, thank you. Just installing Kimi on my, it's working. Just nice. It's working, Abby. Great. Working. Fantastic. Fantastic. Yes, Chief. Yes, Raz. Olam is installing. Installing just now. Done, done, done. Working on it. So I told you just calm down. No be angry. No anger. Just calm down. Everything work out. I promise you. Got my point, guys? Lot of things I'll deliver today. We're gonna work it. All right. Can you share your LinkedIn ID? I will share. I will share. Network issue, no problem. Leave that. Maybe you join later. Connected to via CMD. It's working. Now please confirm. I'm sure. I am sure. Done with Model K 2.5. I'm sure Olama will work. Olama will. Working on not everyone. Please respond. It's working. Confirm. I have installed Olama for above Olama. Getting Olama is not recognized. Olama is not recognized if anyone saying Olama is not recognized, then you need to install the path variable. What is path variable? Yeah, sir, I ask what is Python. Give me a superb response. Very good, Suraj. When will the new data science batch? Next month. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay. So would like to follow teaching. Hope you'll get the recording later. Follow. Yes, yes, Sai. You will get recording. I work. You just watch it and I'll share the live link. You can follow that. Okay, let me tell you. So whoever, let me tell you, whoever Olama is not recognized, you need to install the path variable and all these things. Maybe you need some help on it. How to get a path variable? Go to environment variable, edit system environment variable, and then click on the path and double click on it. Do you see C drive user? You have to add a new and you assign the path variable and okay, it will work. Are you guys understood? Go to CMD and environment system path and then click on path and add your path variable. If you doesn't know, I think my mentor will help you guys. Okay. My mentor will help you. Thank you. So Olama install हुआ sir. Next step क्या करना है? Olama install हुआ. After install, click this code. Olama run Kimi. Now execute that. It will work. Okay, great. Olama successful install. Next step. Shall we go for next step? Please follow me. The next step is, can you please log into Olama document? Can you please log into Olama document? Please click this document. Whenever you click this document, now just minimize. Whenever you click this document, do you see this, guys? Go back to the doc sections, close it, Claude document. Do you see this document sections? And I will share this link, everyone. Click this document sections. So right now, first step, did we install everyone? Okay, look at that. Open models can be used. So my Claude code access this LLM. Got my point? My Claude code access this LLM. So what you do is just scroll down, look at first one, install. What is the first thing, guys? If you notice this says you need to log in. Yes, you need to log into your Gmail account. So look at that. The first code is if you are Mac users, you need to write this, install Claude Code in Windows. And if you scroll down, recommended model, you can use these model web search. So here I will tell you just 1 second, schedule task, all these things, Telegram bot, manual setup, all the setup as given, isn't it, guys? All the setup as given. So what do you need to do? Kimi K 2.5 Claude. So when you install, do you see this, guys? Now copy this code. If your user, copy this code, and I will share this one. And once you copy this code, remove this one. Sorry, copy this code. Just go back to the CMD, and here let's close, and you can try this code, guys. Understood now? When you try this code, I will open my documentations. Now I will share these documentations. If anyone got error, if anybody got error, Claude Code and connect device connected to, yes, please. Okay, downloading. Sai Kumar downloading. Great. It's downloading now. IRM is not recognized. No problem. So when IRM is not recognized, did you got any error message? Installations. Great. Installations completed. Very good, Sai Kumar. If installations completed, now you can do quick setup. Now you can run directly. This code, after installations, just copy this code and try this one. Okay. Okay. See user IRM. IRM is not recognized internal external op program batch file. So did you got everyone? IRM is not recognized. Venkatesh, follow whatever it is given. If you're using Mac, then you can set up this one. Okay. Now try this. So guys, anyone is, yes, I'm okay. IRM not recognized. Do one thing. If you see this one, if IRM is not recognized, 1 second, Windows PowerShell, Windows command. So if you see, I'm sharing another link. If you see this, the one which you posted, right, guys? If you see this one, if you see this document, whatever we have here, I wanted to share you one document. So do you see Claude Code here? Install Claude Code. You open this, click this page, click this page. When you click this page, you will got these options now. I will show you. Let's copy. I will share this link, everyone. Okay, please click this link I will share now. When you open this link now, okay, Olama document. After Olama document, what is the first step you try? The first step you try was you copy this command, IRM command, right? Okay, from Olama document, you type this command and you got error as IRM error, right, guys? Now, sixth one, open Claude document. Okay, open Claude document, which I'm sharing right now. Just copy this document over here, guys. Claude document. After Claude document, yes. Raz just working on Claude. Which one? Claude we are installing, right? Just Claude. After you click the document, you need to no need to be hurry burry, guys. I'm telling you, or else you feel anger, short temper, all those things. So when I do that, I see get started. How do you install Homebrew when get? No, don't do that. Windows command. Are you see this command prompt, everyone? Are you able to see this Windows command prompt? Yes. Copy that command prompt. Just copy that command prompt and open CMD, seventh one, open CMD and install it. Let me share it now. I will share this link. Okay, open CMD, everyone. Check. I will share this link, or you can directly get this link from Claude. And after share this link, I have to Claude subscription is showing Claude Code. Do you need to do all this like installing Claude Desktop? Santosh, I have Claude subscription. If you have Claude subscriptions, do it, because every time do you want to pay? No, right? So you can use this way. How can you use freely? Like I already told you how to install Claude Desktop, Sarosh. Do I need to all this like install? Yeah, you have to do this Claude desktop so that you can work. Not free. That's what I'm saying, man. Sarosh, every time you will pay and continue, please do that. No problem. Are you understood now? If you want to pay, then you can continue this. No problem at all. But if you don't want to pay, just need some after payment versions when Claude provide free with Olama, why to pay? Understood what I'm saying? Okay, yes, installing now. Got this. Very nice, very nice. Sandeep is working, done with it. Says installations completed. Mind blowing. Setup environment variable. Okay, properties. Yes, yes. Do we need to set up? Very good, Sandeep. Thank you for that. ओलामा कनेक्ट होने के बाद ये क्या करना था सर? आपने एक बार रिकॉर्डिंग सुन लो अंशु. Claude Code Windows requires. Ha, Rakesh, you can install that Git SCM. Okay, Rakesh, for your error, you can install the Git bash link. It will work. Now installing. Fine, thank you. Completed after run above command. Okay, great, great. So after you setting up Claude Code, do you see now what I'm gonna do? I'll go for CMD. In the CMD, when I ran this one, so 3 steps, guys. I will repeat again. I'll repeat again. This is my first step. Okay. This is my first step. And second step, install IRM. What is that IRM? This is the second step. This is the second step. What is third step? Now the third step, go back to this Claude document and run directly. Now third step. Now the third step is Control V. Now third step. Now third step. Now when I run third step, just go back and hit enter. Hit enter. Okay, launching Claude Code now. Great. Are you got like this now? Are you got like this? Please response. Okay, let me tell you guys, the student who already paid, that's fine. I also paid, buddy. I also paid. I have also all subscriptions. But I'm telling, I have many students. I don't want them to pay because they are still job looking for job. I am telling them to how to use Claude Code absolutely freely using Olama. Olama clearly given you can use free versions. How many of them got this space? Please repeat once model after command. After command, 3 code. How many have got like this, guys? Anyone? So accessing workspace. Do you see this now? Yes, very good, Rose. Okay. I think Rosa Rani got it. Got it, Abdul. I got it. Nice, nice. Excellent answers. Swarup, you got it. Fantastic. Did you, sir, I'm installing next what? Which Venkatesh? Trying to run specific model locally. Looking access Claude Kimi. Sandeep, very simple, man. Are you trying to run specific model? It is not specific model. I already installed Kimi K2.5 in Olama. First point, Sandeep. Second point, okay, we went Claude Code documents and they given how to install Olama Claude Code in Olama document. All right. And then I'll fetch Olama code and I hit enter and it will install. Okay. Yes. Claude is Claude Code is not LLM. Claude Code will run on top of LLM. Got my point, Sandeep? Got it. Olama launch Claude. Exactly. Claude is not installed. Please install. Okay. If anybody is saying Claude is not installed, then do this one. Olama launch Claude. Olama launch Claude. Got it now, guys. Yes. Very slow. Yuvraj, Olama working slow because your system RAM is low. Okay, IRM not recognized. Sai Prasad. Next what? Olama already installed. I'm installed next 8 GB. So let me tell you 3 code I wanted to try. This is the 3 code. First code, second code, and 3 code. The moment when you copy and paste here, 3 code one by one. First code, second code, third code. First code, please enable copy option in the Zoom. Enable copy options. Yes, yes. Okay, you're not able to copy, guys. I'm sorry. So please enable to copy options. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Guys, Arif, can you able to access copy options? How to do that? Just 1 second. Mm, yes. If I use Kimi, my project, LLM will get trained with my project that I cannot share to get trained my company. See, for company projects, you don't do decide by yourself. Come, if manager will tell you to use, then only use. Okay, got it. Yes, yes, no problem. Install completed. Send a message. Now, if you see that now, I'll click that one. When I click one, Claude is not installed. Do you see? Okay, here trying to use login auth. Now you can see that, hello, finally the Claude code is installing. How can I help you today? You only worry about your errors. You are not listening what I'm saying. I know the error will be get it. How many of them get the screen? First options. How many of them installed without any payment? Let me know, please confirmed. Very good. Claude is not installed. Venkatesh, install Claude, please. Done. Swaroop is done. Fantastic. Did you use freely? Now you can write hello. How can I help you today? Do you see that? Did that. Done. Vishal done. Still getting IRM not recognized. Hello, unable to connect API. Retrying to 10. Okay, Sandeep, you need to try this one. I want you to try to do this code. I mean Olama launch. Look at the first code. If you're not able to install, let me tell you where did I get this code. First step, listen to me. Whoever done Olama is not recognized internal. Okay, see guys, if you got error, then okay, you need to fix it, because if I fix it, my rest of the workshop I not able to complete. Okay, so Olama not installed means you have to set the path variable. You have to set the path variable. Okay, Kaushal. Okay, variable. That is the first thing. Maybe you do it later. Maybe you do it later. Okay, now great. So team also ran it and it answers. Very good, Vishal. I'm sure some of the employees are unable to run it. Let me tell you one more time. Please follow me. Let me tell you one more time. Done and it ran. Very good. Very good. Now, if you see that, I'm asking to my Claude. So please enable copy options. Jagat Mahanti. Why don't you listen, man? Can you please? Your experience, right? I told you, where are you? What you doing when I'm saying? First step, listen to me one more time, guys. Just click that. Okay. Now I'm saying if you go back to I'll share one link, guys. Okay, follow me. I will share you this link in the chat. Now can access local drive. Very good, very good. Okay. So listen to me, guys. Whoever getting error, no problem. I am click this code. Can you please click this code? Everyone, whoever getting error, click this link. I got it. Thank you. Very good. Did you click it now? Jagatjot, please click it. Click the link. After you click the link, do you got this page? Did you got this page? Please let me know. Yes. Did you got this page? Now scroll down. Look at that Windows command prompt. Do you see if your system is old, it won't run Windows command prompt. Have you see this Windows command prompt? Now you can take a copy. Now you copy this, guys. Copy the file. When you copy the file, go to CMD and after install Olama, you can paste it. First point clear? First point clear? After first point, go to Olama doc. Olama doc. Now install IRM. Now install IRM. Let's copy that and then install IRM. And when you install IRM, so this is the path. I will share you all these things in my GitHub. Maybe you can do that later. Okay, team? And you will get this path while you install it. And then Claude. For me also, Claude is not recognized. So now if the Claude is not recognized, you have to set up the path variable. So what is the path variable for me? C user admin app data roaming npm. After that, the Claude will be working. Understood now? I will share this file. You can do that, guys. Okay, Sai Row, are you clear? If I use Kimi LLM for my project, why you use Kimi LLM for your project? In your company, you have to take permissions of your manager, right? You can't use just like that. You will ask them before. Do not use any LLMs until your boss is approved. Okay, clear now. After clear, great it. Can we please get the recording for this training? Yeah, it is in YouTube. I will share you the recording. Just 1 second. Now, just live YouTube. So you copy that and paste here. True, true. I will share the live link. Team, have you done now? And now, if you go back to the Claude code, do you see this command prompt? In this command prompt, now I can say, can you build a calculator app using Python? Okay. I'm right. Now check it. I'm not using anything. Exactly, Sagar. You click on yes now. You click on yes now. Click on yes now. I know few people will log out. I said it will take 2 to 3 hours because I want everyone to work this. Now try this. It is asking, okay, I will create GUI calculator app using Python with Kinter. Okay. How to fix IRM? Srikanth, IRM you cannot fix first. Leave that. First, you need to install this line. I keep on saying you need to write this code. Which code? The first code is this one. Okay, Srikanth, go back to Olama document. You have to write this code. As you not install this, then you got IRM error. Okay, that is done. After done, can you install Olama has installed properly? I have just used the command Linux. Step one, Olama launch Claude. That is done. Okay. After this, I run LLM. Okay, great. After the session, can you please the steps of docs? I will share the documents. Okay, Srikanth. Yeah. Now you can try this. Just asking if the session next 2 hours. Yeah, yeah. Next, it will take maybe 2 hours. Is an I build app multiple times. It build the app. Very good, very good. It is giving Python code. No problem. If you got some bugs, you can do it. And here now, do you see the code is writing or not? Claude Code is writing the code. Claude Code is writing the code. Great. Now try this one. And I think it is checking. One moment. Let's do it. Do you want to overwrite? Yes. Enter now. Yes. And now check that. To run it. So here, okay. Now Python calculator app. Yeah. To run it, you can write Python calculator.py. Now try this. Okay. Do you want to proceed? Yes. So when you do that, great. Do you see I create my app now? 8 into 8. Okay. Minus 6. When you execute, you got 58 now. I think if you see that, you got the screen is 58. Do you see this now? And see 8 into 8 equals to 64. Team, did you see that? Did you got it now? You can use any Claude code absolutely free. I ran into errors. So errors will come, no problem, Abby. I will tell you the steps. You take some time and it will fix it. Got my point, guys? So do you see Claude Code install absolutely freely on your local and you can write it just closed. And I'll ask, can you write machine learning algorithm? Machine learning algorithm. Now enter. Okay, now IRM fix team, IRM fix. If it not working, maybe you can try in PowerShell. How do you open PowerShell? Right click, PowerShell. If you see Windows PowerShell, now you can try this. Okay, now you can write this code in PowerShell, IRM, this one. You can try this now, and then you can go back to that command. I will share the installation steps you can work. Now I think the code is writing. I will create a neural network from scratch. Great. Do you want to create a neural network.py? One, yes. From scratch. A complete implementations of MLP. YouTube link. Do you see this, guys? Do you want to proceed? Just now click that. Yes. Now you can see that the Claude code is working. The name of the code says, no, I am saying, great. Do you see? I am taking a workshop on Anthropic Claude LLM. What was your second prompt for machine learning? The second prompt I gave was algorithm, right? Neural network algorithm. You can try this. Join little late. I'm beginner in this AI space. Can I please get to know what's the end goal for business use case? Solve my learning this particular Claude AI. Sushant, the question only ask. Question only very doesn't make sense. Can you tell me, Sushant, in ChatGPT, what you do in regular basis? Exactly, ChatGPT, Claude is competitor of ChatGPT. In Claude Code, you generate code, you write code. Most of the company use, most of automations happens. You see, people are firing around the world. That is the not every time use cases. How Claude is paid version. In this workshop, I'm telling you how to use Claude Code absolutely free in your local system. Got my point, Susant Sahu? Or will save. Okay. Now you can ask, okay, can you please tell me which location these files are saved? Now you can ask this. Great. Okay. So CD Python Python C drive user admin. You got my question now? I think you got your answer. Whose question was it? Okay, Amruta, you got now? Okay, you get your file path locations. Curl, install MD. After this next step, the next step is after install. Can you please go back to Olama documents and launch this? The next step, Mohammed, Olama launch Claude. Okay, try this now. It will work. Great. So team, Claude code working or not? Claude code is working or not? Able to launch Claude. Thanks. Very good, Nilesh. Very good. Very good. See, I think IRM is not recognized. I told you multiple times. If you go to the PowerShell, did you, Surya Kant, can you install the first code, this one? Did you install this code? Please answer me. Okay. Claude is not installed. Okay, please click that, Saurav. This is the first command. Okay, let me tell you. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. May I know how many of them installed? How many of them installed? Please answer me first question. Great. Yes, work now. Works like charm. Have you liked it? Good, man. Right. Install. Works perfect. Perfect. Great job. So without payment, the Claude is working awesome, isn't it? Great. Great. Okay, love it, guys. You are done already. Let me tell you, works perfect. So when I'll tell you later. So good job, guys. Whoever installed, excellent. Previously, I was installed, asking money. Any solution for it? No, no. Ahmad, you need to run this code. Okay, if you skip the money, you need to ask this code. Olama launch Claude directly. Also, let me tell you the first point, the first answer to you guys. Great, great. So how to set shake? If I tell you all those things, I'm not able to complete my workshop. Apology for that. Okay. So can you also inform the very good use cases of where we can utilize free Claude Code? Free Claude Code. If you're a student, you can build your projects, you can do your interviews, lot of things you can do it, man. Right? See, first one, first point is okay. Are you happy? I think most of them already installed Claude Code. Okay, which is great, which is very great. And without payment, you guys are done. Let me tell you, if anyone got error, I will share you the installation steps. I will share you the installation step document. This is the installation step document. After the class, after the class, okay, you can use it. Okay, and you can follow that and solve it. And also, I will share the YouTube. I will share the YouTube live link. Pretty clear now. Got my point, guys? Pretty clear now, guys. Okay, second one. Second one is great. Let's go to the second part. Can we go to the create calculator desktop? Very nice. Right, Rajay. Right, Ajay. That's working. So now the second code, if you notice this, the second code. So can you tell me the one which I'm showing right now, the one which I'm showing right now, absolutely no payment. And I do have a paid subscription. So what I'm gonna do now, how to come out? Control, just click that. Control, okay, quit. Now quit. When you quit, okay, do you see this, guys? When you quit it now, setting up Claude Code. Okay, now when you quit it, let me tell you, do you see? So if you see that usage of the model, I use Kimi K2.5 Claude model, and I complete my two practicals in Claude Code. Now I do purchase my Olama Claude. Now let me tell you, the second one is, I will tell you, I do purchase, guys. Now second time, I do made a payment. I do make a payment for, okay, Claude. Why the payment is required? Claude Code to access LLMs. How to access LLMs? After you, how do you make a payment? Go back to platform. If you see that everything I will teach you today, go back to the platform .claude.com. When you go back to the platform .code.com, do you see here, if you go for usage cost, usage is there, okay? And you can go for billing API keys. You got some API keys, create API keys and limits. Everyone API key has a limit if you go to the billing. So billing, you need to buy credits. I pay the bills and you pay $5 buy credit. So far I use this one. And do you see credit grant? The credit was expired on 1 year. So let me tell you, all API key has limit is 1 year. Understood, guys? All API key limit is 1 year. Understood now? If you want to pay, no, you should say $5. I can go for it, and I can access all the members. You go back to which platform? Just go back to this platform. If you want to pay $5, you go back to this platform and you can pay it. After your payment, you generate your API keys. I generate my API keys. Using the API key, I want to build my another code, which is Claude chart LLM. So Claude Code, everyone is clear, guys? Claude Code, everyone is clear? In the Claude Code, how to access? Now I'll write Claude. When I write Claude, okay, now it is asking me, now this time, the one which you pay, it will use now this credit one. Do you see which model it is using now? If you see this Sonnet 4.6. Now, when I write hello, when I write hello, now my money will detect for every token it will be create. You got my point, guys? You got my point. So today I will teach you, today you understood what is the summary till 1 hour. We'll talk about that. The first part is how to install, okay, how to install Claude Code using free version with Olama, integrate with Kimi. Second one, okay, paid versions directly from direct from platform.claude.com. Got my point, guys? Got my point. Everyone is clear. Without payment, does this possible? How to access LLM? Yeah, that's what we use, right, Venkatesh? Did you got output? It give awesome including. Venkatesh, it's working for you or not? So what happened? That is what the setup has created. So here, if you use in, we'll discuss tomorrow how exactly done. Clear now? Yeah, is here use reference Claude versus Sonnet. See, you can pay Vishnu, you can pay it. Understood? Oh, sorry, API error. No, API error means you have to purchase in Anthropic. I will tell you, Claude version, I mean, free versions, how many installed? Okay. How many installed free versions? Done. Very good, Mansa. I installed. Very good. It's working for you. Everyone is working. Do you see most of them working? Great, great, great. Good response. Yep, working fine, working fine. So Claude Code installation. See, I am not saying, man, you go to the Claude documents, Claude Code document only saying, right? Claude Code document saying or not? How do you install Claude Code using Olama? You follow the document and I combine two documents, Claude documents, Olama documents, two documents, and the solutions is got it now. It is terrific. Exactly. Sessions done, sir. Question and answers now. Sessions, it's not completed. Still, we have more sessions. Okay, great. So next one, what I'm gonna do now, sir, I need to log in Claude with Google account. Yes, you have to Google account, do that. Gmail account is Google account. Okay, first POC we done. If I show you this PDF, 1 second. What is the things we completed right now? So presentations, in agenda sheet, what are the topic we completed? This one we completed. Hands-on code, first one we completed. Are you clear? First one we are completed, guys. Very nice. So trust me, whoever you guys got output, I really appreciated if your likes and comments on it. Okay, git bash. Okay, Sandeep, please install the git bash, it will work. Please, Sandeep, the git bash, it will work. Okay, Sandeep. Yeah, installations failed. So you can install the git bash. Great. So can we go put this one now? Can you go to this practical Claude chatbot using Sonnet Haiku Opus? So for you, you cannot use Sonnet. If you pay, then you can work. So how many of them interest to build this one? Can we go to the next one now? Please answer me. Can we go to the next one? Please answer me, guys. 1 second. I wanted to see that. Does this one stopped or what? The live. Great. So Team Claude Code is working absolutely fine, right? Okay. How many of them interested? Go to the next one. Yes. Shall we continue, guys? Swarup, no need to pay for the time being. Okay, let's get back to the next one. Claude chatbot using LLMs. So we are using Fast API to build this practical. For that one, what we need to do is Claude chart. If you see this Claude desktop, guys, if you see the Claude desktop, sure, Rushikesh. Jagjot, it's working. Please share the recording. Shubham recording, I will share. I have to finish it. If you go back to the Claude code, guys, if you see hello, hi, now I wanted to see this option. Just check that. Click it now, Sonnet. Do you see more model? How many model it provides? Opus, Haiku, Opus, Sonnet, right? Yes or no? Opus Sonnet 4.5, Opus 4.5, Haiku 4.5. So the latest model was Sonnet 4.6. So these model we can access right now. These model we can, okay. So Rishikesav, the prompt was, can you build neural network model? The prompt as given earlier. Okay, now I want to come out. So here you can use Sonnet model. In Sonnet model, look at the response. Can you build uh can you build one text pre-processing? Okay. Okay, maybe can you build a maybe neural network. Now let's do this. Now Sonnet model is calling, the model is thinking. The moment if somebody asks a questions, we think or not. Exactly. Image classification, text predictions. Okay. Now let's do that. A what problems you wanted to ask. For example, I say that TensorFlow Keras, I think it take more image classifications. Now if you see that how the model is same command working fine Windows. Now you can try Jagat for rest of them. Okay, PyTorch. It will work, guys. If you keep asking a simple CNN, now 3 model, you can build a simple CNN for that. Okay, simple convolutions neural network model is working for this. Just have a look at it. Great. It's asking about login method, which one I need to select. Vasu, which method it is asking? Login method. Now, it is taking some time. In the meantime, let's do it. I'll go for, let's build one. I'm using Sonnet model for my Claude code, working git bash. Sandeep install, man, git bash. Do you see the link? Okay, now Sandeep, the one which you post me, right? You can see Claude code on Windows requires. Okay, select login, Claude account. No, 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 skip that step. Vasu, skip that step. Skip that step. After you skip this, please restart the Claude code for again login. Okay. So you can skip that step and install this one. All right, it will work. You need to follow the documents. Okay, let's go to the second project, everyone. Let's go to the second project. I'm sorry if I didn't respond to your question because I have to complete 2 more practicals today. So I will go for, do you want to proceed? Yes, always access admin for this project. No, for the time being. It will, yes. If you say that it build image classifications, the Claude code, most of them installations completed without, we can't do second project, right? No, good question, Srikant. You can't do, but instead of that model, you can use any other model. Kimi model you can apply. Understood, Sandeep? Sorry, whose question was it? Okay, this question. Okay. So it is creating a CIFAR dataset and write this code. So Claude code is very popular for a company developers. So look at that. The code has already type it. And do you want to create a train.py? I don't take it right now because I will go for another model. If I keep doing it, it will work. Understood, guys? Exit. So Claude code we worked. And if you see that all the pricing will be detailed here, how much pricing it is deducted. Okay, great. Next, get to the next one. Close it now. Just exit, exit. So what is the steps we followed? The 2 things we've been work. This one we completed, Claude Code installations we completed. Claude Chart LLM. Let's do this one. We're using Fast API to do this project. Let's follow this now. I want to open a VS Code first. VS Code. In this VS Code, so first project, Claude Code was writing a code, but this time we write the code and we'll talk to you. So, okay, so let's follow this. I'm going to create, I don't have VS Code. If you don't have VS Code, you install later. Okay, buddy? I want to create a new file here and let's create a new folder 0 and Anthropic. I will write a, I create a variable. I'm create a folder, guys. Anthropic. Okay. Anthropic I created. So here, this is my Anthropic. In Anthropic, I'm going to create a new file, okay? And claude.py, Claude.py, Claude.py. The new py file created. Okay, for this required, if a complete beginner, might be you are little not understood. For the few step, if you already has there, do not leave, just wait for some time, even though not understand, see that how Sonnet model use in a code sections. So just go back to the terminal, new terminal. If I go to new terminal, I will go back to command prompt. If I go to the command prompt, I will write one command pip install, okay, Python pip install dot env. So let's go back to second project. So let's go back to second project. Okay. Now, what is second project was build a chatbot using Fast API and Claude API keys. Okay, using this one. So what is the first step? The first step, I want to install .env file, and then I want to install pip install Fast API, and then pip install uvcon. All right, this one. And then I want to install pip install what is this, guys? Anthropic. So I want to install these libraries: pip install Fast API, pip install uvcon, pip install Anthropic, pip install. Okay, rather than .env, python.env. So let's go back to this code, and here I will be writing all those things. Pip install the first one, Fast API, comma uvcon. Every file I will need to install, comma Anthropic. So here Anthropic, comma python.env. Now hit enter. When you hit enter, these files are installed. So let's copy that and I will paste here. So after you paste here, what do you need to do? The next part is I am going to create a okay, I need my API keys, right? So I need to store API key. How do I store API key? I will go back to this file, and here, do you see this API key? I already created API key. I have to copy the API key. Just give me one moment. Before that, I will go back to right click and new file .env. I'm created .env. From the .env, what exactly I need to use as Anthropic. Okay, so how do I write? An Anthropic, Anthropic, Anthropic. Okay, API key. Okay, I have to pass my API key here. How did I pass my API key? Just 1 second. I have to get the API key from my documents. Just one moment. Just one moment. I'll go back. This is I paid for the time being. I'll hidden it so that API key list. I got my API key list, and this is my Anthropic API key. Let's copy. If you have any Gemini API key, you can use this API key here. Okay, I'll I'll paste my API key. Now see that, guys. So do we also have to buy API key? No. You no need to buy API key. Instead of API key, Anthropic, you can use free API key like Gemini API key, DeepSeek API key, and any API key you have it. Understood, guys? So for the time being, did you create API key, guys? Everyone, you can also get API key directly from here. Can you go back to this platform, claude.com? Let's copy and I paste here and click the link and you get API key and follow me whatever you got it. Now follow me whatever I'm doing it. You got my point. This is my API key and save it. Okay, now file save. So what is second step? Let's go to second step. And second step is I'll create a new file, create a new file. And name of the file was what, guys? Anthropic. I'm sorry. So Anthropic in capital letter, Anthropic underscore API key. Did you generate an API key? Yes. Whatever API key generated, please paste it. Please paste your free API key. Actually, it will not work, but that's okay. You will get some limit error. But that's okay. Let's try. I wanted to use that and maybe later keep the code with you so that it will be work. Understood, guys? Got my point. And here, this is my API key and control is then closed. So let's close it. So I want to use the first code here and we'll try this. So what is the first code? From, okay, from fast API and tab and import fast API, okay, and HTTP because fast API is HTTP. Now, okay, I also want to use another library called pip install pydantic, pip install pydantic, okay. Just give me 30 minutes and then third one. So pip install pydantic, first one. So we are installing all the libraries. Whatever library we installed, we call the module from the packages, guys. All right. So the next one from pydantic, we are call import base model and we are import Anthropic. Okay. So I think I need to write from Anthropic import. I need to capital A. Anthropic. Do you see Anthropic? Okay. So let's try this now. If we got any underscore, import OS because I need to get the from dot env import load dot because this is the dot env is there, right? So that env has to be load here. Now after what next? So load.env I have here. Now I want to create an app, fast API app I want to create. And the title of the app was, let's create a Anthropic. Nah, sorry, just, hey, what happened? Just title. The title was, now the title was, let's remove. I'll write a simple title. Okay, let's build Prakash Senapathi Claude model. Okay. Okay. Claude model to interact with bot, to interact with API, or to interact with LLM. Okay. Now tab it. So this is the title, whatever title you can create it. And hold on, why I got this one? Okay, this one is clear. Now app we built, and then I'll go for client. Client equals to, yes, Anthropic API key. This API key I have to fetch from this model, right? So great. So client was done. Simple code. So we are importing all the libraries. Now the second one was, I'm called the request. So how do I call request and response? The user has to be send a request. The client has to, the LLM has to give response, right? Okay, I'm going to copy this code and I said which extension you're using, the VS Code showing. It's a GitHub Copilot, GitHub Copilot, there's Sagar. Okay. Now after that, I want to provide a simple request and response model. So user request and LLM model has to be response, the two things. So for that, what we need to do, let's create a class. Okay, oops. I want to class request body. So which request I want to call chart request. Okay, base model message string and max tokens. Every model has to generate a max tokens up to let's create 1,000 tokens. Let's create it. Okay, maybe 1,000 tokens we created. So I create one class and let's create another task. Do you see what I'm done? So I have here request. So here class request class, message string and chart response. So again response string and here Model also, I need to call the model also string. All right. And input tokens, I have to use tokens are int and output tokens is int. Great. So that's it. So we create a libraries we call here, and we request response to classes we've been defined here. All right. And the next one, let's routes. I want to routes to root. So for that, I create a app dot. So HTTP has three methods: get, post. To get, post. First, I have to get it now. Just try this one. Okay, just app dot get here. And I think in websites, every time I have to, okay, this one forward slash, right? And then define a root. I want to create one root. And so tab, what message I wanted to write as status, and I can create as okay, and okay, Anthropic fast API, or I can say like, welcome to Anthropic Claude API. Okay, bye. Okay, I'll mention this name. Okay, so just one function I created now. Let's create another function. Get method we created. Let's add post method. So what model? I will build a chatbot here. So here something it is showing error. Let's see that. Written status okay. Okay, I think I need to do comma here, right? And message equal to end. Just 1 second. Do I have to? Okay, great. So 2 minutes. Anything wrong? Let's check later if I got any error. Is that wrong? The message is all right. So I think I'll use this now. Okay, great. Now let's try this one. Response, which model I want to build a define chart. So I'll build a chart bot. Let's create a chart bot. Or okay, don't need this one. Leave that, and I'll close it. Now, so here I'll write a define chart stream. If I stream require chart bot. Okay, I think require chart request, because we request there. Yeah, so request now. All right, and after done, just hit enter. Request chart request, and from fast API dot response import streaming response. Great. I want to create one. Okay, other functions inside it. Generate. So which one I want to generate, guys? With client dot. So client dot message. No, client dot message dot stream, right? Okay, now tab. So which model I'm going to use? Claude. Okay, let's try Generate. Okay, chart stream generate with client.message stream. Which model I'm going to call now? I am call, if you see this model. So very good, very good. Excellent, Suraj. It's working. Nice, nice. So Sonnet 4.6. So 4.6 was latest model. So I think I'm using this model. So Claude Sonnet, SONNET. Which one was it? 4-5. Okay, 4.5. Now try this. Okay, so max tokens equals to max tokens messages user role. Okay, now content was request message. So the message were calling at stream. Okay, for message in stream, for text in, okay, message DOS token, for text in, okay, text stream, and yield. I have to wait. No, I just need to mention what is yield. Yield is a generator. Do you remember what is generator? Generator, decorator, iterator. All right. So here, so now at stream is done for text in stream dot text underscore stream yield. And here I need to pass the data, and right, this one is text. So then here, let's get back to here. And again, yield data done. Let's try this now. And next one, written and response. So streaming response, generate media type. Okay, great. I hope it is done. Let's see the code, and I will share it one more time. Generate APK where I need to paste. Very good, Venkatesh. You need to be paste in environment. You create a new, right click, new file .env, and you create your .env like that, Anthropic API key, and you create your environment. Yes, could you show me the last part of the yield code? Yes, Abby, just Control S. Now try this one. I think I will see that now. Let's file, save. Let's check. I'm creating a last part. So generator, let's try this using codes are giving sessions in VS Code. It was GitHub. Okay, how to know exact APIs to be installed. Lakshmi, when you generate, come on, when you purchase an antivirus, the antivirus create API key or not? So if the API key is working, that is generate. If it's not working, it is not. Does this require Python knowledge? Of course, yes, boss. Absolutely. So, right, I done the code now, and then let's check. How did I call? I have to go back to my terminal, new terminal, and then click on the command prompt. What is my file name here? I need to go back to this file, cd uh, 0 entropic, enter, okay, and uvcon. What is name of the file? Claude app reload. All right, now try. Is it working? Yes, the HTTP has created. Now let's log into this. Okay, now I'll open it. Do you see? Okay, welcome to Anthropic Claude API, Prakash Senapathi. Now this is what we created now. And if I click docs, now great. Do you see this, guys? We'll build it now. A fast API has created front end now. I'm going to click that and I'm saying as try it out. When I try it out, I will asking, okay, can you create a table between, okay, can you generate a table comparison, comparison for what, guys? Uh, comparison for Claude context window, Claude context versus CLAUD, Claude context versus Chart GPT context window, context versus Kimi K2.5, Kimi K2.5 context window, guys. Context window. Now, when you try, max tokens was this one. So here, show me the command, just 1 second, and I will execute it. When you execute, Just wait. And where is my code? And here I'm going to copy that and paste here in the chart window. Where is the chart? Just use that chat window. Let's wait for some time. I think it's running up. Great. Do you see the responses now? Do you see the responses, guys? I hope you see the responses. Just 1 second. If you notice this, look at the practical limitations. And how do I see the data now? If I go up and if I go up and a response body, Moonshot AI, Kimi, and I have to download. Let's click download and great. This is what LLM model responds now. This is what LLM model responds. Did you notice this, guys? No need to generate the API key, right? No, no. See, if you pay API key, Mridula, then you get output. If you not get API key, you got error. You got my point. So that is the difference. Okay, so finally we got responses. Do you understood that how exactly the LLM model works? So here, if you notice this code, I'm using, if you log into this now, just Claude. So which LLM I'm using, guys? Which LLM I'm using? I'll copy that. I will share. I will share. Just 1 second. I think, no, no, no. Claude is, let me tell you. So today, in this third project, I'm using Sonnet 4.5. I'm used, what is question I ask? I question ask difference context window for, and what is that? Let's call ChatGPT versus ChatGPT versus Claude versus what, guys? Kimi K2. So this is what responses I got. So in the same code, I think I closed it. If you go back to this now and you got it, do you see the context window for rest of things? Now in the same code, what I have done, guys, please show me last one. So here, this is the last one. Okay, I'm going to copy that and let's use, why not able to paste it? That's okay. I will share this file, guys, later. Okay, team, no problem. In the same code, what I do, Sonnet, right? I'll remove Sonnet. I use Opus now. Opus, OPUS, Opus. That's another model. If you see that, more model Opus 4.6. I didn't use 4.6. You can also use, I use 4.5. Now save the file. Now save the file. After you save the file, let's click that. And what I'm going to do now, let's go back and go to the docs and click one more time. When you click one more time, just try it out. Just go up and try it out. And I would ask, who is this, guys? Ganguly. It's very simple. Have you know API key? I mean, did you use Fast API? Here we import all the libraries. Okay, what's your name, buddy? Varun. So here we import all the library. Did you know Python? Did you know Python? So I call Fast API. Yes. So here we call title of the app. I import all the libraries. I create a two class, one class for chart request where a user has to be write a message string. If you see this output, the string is getting right. So what I'm string, I'll write explain about AI versus generative AI versus agentic AI. Got my point? So here in this code will call here request. Understood now? Okay, we have to pay those models. We Sonnet those models we have to pay. Yes. What is difference? Anthropic and Claude. Wow, Naresh, are you attend the class now? Okay, Anthropic created Claude. Understood, guys. What is difference between Microsoft and Excel, Naresh? What is difference between Microsoft and Excel? You got my point. Okay, we can also use Gemini. Yeah, Ramchand, you can use Gemini. Now, response. So here, so this root automatically it will take to the root now. And then if you go back to this is the root, welcome. If you check that, you will get this one, guys. And finally here, I need to another functions where I have to call the Opus model and yield generate the okay LLM model responses, guys. That is what you've been yield it here. I mean, who was question? Guys, are you understood, Ganguly? Ganguly, are you understood? Now, what was the question? Naresh understood. Naresh, no. Whose was that? Okay. Yeah, I will share. I will share the GitHub. So after you done this now, which model I call Opus model? Opus model execute now. So Opus 4.5. So today I use all three models. Let's see it. I think any error message I'm generating now. Let's wait. Did I save the code? Great. Do you see AI versus generative? Do you see the responses? How many tokens? I given here 1024 tokens. Every token is cost associated with that. Understood? So what I want you to do, can you please, instead of Claude, would you try Kimi 2.5 Cloud? Can you try Kimi? See what I'm saying. You generate a API key. Okay, guys. Anthropic API key you generate and you try to pass. Did you got some error? Have request. So question when to use which model. I will tell you, Suras. Okay, if you are ask image model, go for Gemini. If you generate a code, go for Anthropic Claude Code. Exactly. If you go for chart, use Anthropic or OpenAI. Got it now, Suras? That's the way you need to talk. Plugin to IDs, I didn't got difference. We have plugins to in IDEs. I didn't got difference. No, plugins means I will tell you later. Just wait. After running the reload command and success, what to do next, AV. See, guys, I will, what I'm saying today, we'll go for questions, answers. Just wait. Thank you for your response. Okay. Now, Sonnet model asks this question. What is question asked to? You are worried about your question only. You are not listening what I'm saying. Okay, Opus 4.5. What is the question I asked to Opus? Difference between AI, Gen AI versus agentic AI. Am I get responses or not? Do you see, guys, which model I used in this code? So I got API key, which you have to share. Will that work for free? I got API key. Opus. Very good, Abdul. Now, let's go back to the code again. I need to change Haiku 3 model. If you see that Sonnet we implement, Opus we implement, let's try last one, Haiku. Save it, Control S. When I go for Control S, again go back to the code and see root get. When we get to root, go back to the code. This function I'm calling now. Understood, guys? Get root. And that is what welcome to got this one. This is what you got the first code, guys. Okay, and I'll remove it and docs last time, execute this now. And here I will go back to click it, chartbot, just go to try it out, and we will talk about here. I will write difference between, okay, 10, okay, how, okay, I'll write that Claude Cowork versus Claude Code versus Claude LLM. Okay. Generate 10 points and generate 10 points. How companies are using this, and can you summarize few use cases which companies are using now? Okay. So this is the prompt I'm asking to Haiku model. When I go for Haiku model execute, I'm sure most of the people will gone now. So I'm asking to which model Haiku. So go back to the Haiku 4.5. In 4.5, I ask difference of Claude Cowork versus Claude Chart versus Claude Code and the real time and implementations. Now try this. So now check that we'll use the fast API. So I'm hearing it's interesting. Okay, no, no, great. The one who understood they can stay. I mean, definitely. So I got API key. Great. So instead of Anthropic, you can use it will work. Which model gives better response? See, it's depending on your LLM parameters like top P, top K. You need to define all the parameters. You no need to decide, your client will respond. Okay, Dayasagar, you write one question, right? Movie story. You check whatever model you feel that would be the best one. You wouldn't say that all comes from same family. Understood, guys? So I think Haiku is the lowest one. If you see that, Opus is the best one, and Sonnet Opus would be the good part. So if you so far, Opus is number one, Haiku is Opus is first, Sonnet second, third one is Haiku. Got my point? Okay, got my point. Now the next one. Let's see. Did I generate in response? Great. Okay, Claude code base, Claude code. Okay, purpose language model, AI backbone, my applications, architecture, it also product your production system. See, these things, few things we can't go back because I need to pay for it, and you can also run in your all LLMs. Java guy is saying if the production crash, what to do? No problem, the system agents already know it when to handle which situations. So lot of research going on these guys, and see, that's what you see, a lot of firing also done. You know why? Because the Claude code write all developer task. If a company hire a 10 developer, so company has to pay for 10 developer. So by using of agents, it's reduce the developer where the company revenues are increasing. Got my point, guys? Great. So finally, we build, let me close it, and you download all of them and see the responses which is created. And we do that in here in Fast API. Got my point, guys? So let's close everything and let's close that. I will share this code to you. Just one moment. And today we build, let's go back to the file now and presentations. What are the things we learn? Okay, Claude Code installation using Olama and paid versions. Claude Chart LLM using Sonnet along with Fast API. I need your 30 minutes of time of Claude Cowork. Shall we go back, guys? Claude Cowork. So we'll be complete today and things would be better. What is meant by Cowork? Yes. So I will share this code, and let me tell you, in this code, I wanted to use, if you go back ENV, I don't want to pay any Anthropic API key. If you want to pay, most welcome to get your service. But in the meantime, you can purchase it. You can have Gemini API key. You go back to the Google and get Gemini API key, give your Gemini API key, go to the code. Code is same, just change this model here. Where is the model? Okay, this is Gemini API key, and you give your API key here, Gemini model. Which is Gemini model? Gemini 3 Flash model. You can use Gemini 3 Flash model. Are you guys understood? Are you guys understood Gemini 3 point Flash model? So just close it, and I will save this file to you. Team, are you understood, everyone? Team, are you understood? So if I go back to the section, let's do the third one now. Claude Cowork. The Cowork, it is not free. It is absolutely paid services. Understood, guys? It is absolutely paid services. So here, so what are the things we done here? This is Claude Code we worked. Understood? And this one, Claude Chart, Sonnet, Opus, and Haiku. Three models. Now let's third one. Third one is Claude Cowork. Okay, team. What is Cowork, guys? So, I mean, let me open this page to tell you what is Claude Cowork. Hey, can you show difference if used directly API key versus pro subscriptions? Karthik, good question. Karthik, answer to the question is if you use API key, right? If you use API key, you can fetch only LLM model. Understood now? And if you use pro subscription, then you can use Claude Cowork. Understood, Karthik? Answer me. Did you clear? If you purchase API key for $5, you can use only three models, Sonnet, and then Haiku and Opus. If you purchase the Claude Pro, you can use Claude Code and Claude Cowork. It's absolutely free. Understood now? Got it now? Great. Okay. Gulshan Shahu, I will talk to you. Just wait for some time. Let me finish. What is Cowork? A Cowork is a desktop application. Understood or not? Are we install Cloud Desktop or not? Or non-developers that automate the management and repetitive task. Where to use, organize, rename, sort files across folders in bulk. For example, in real time, every project has 10 members, right? So the manager will assign task. Can you please arrange one file? Can you please pull the data from one repositories? Can you create a dashboard? So multiple work together in one project. Got my point? So here extract data from PDFs, everything automatically copy paste, building workflows. No coding is required at all. Cross app workflows. Listen to me. In today, I want to tell you how to build it. So I will share this pages. Okay, how to work Claude models. It will file you have to install in Claude Desktop. If you open that, I am sure you're not going to see this Cowork now. For that, you have to pay. How do you go back to pay? Just go back to pay. If you go to upgrade plan, if you go to upgrade plan, do you see these plans are there? So this is free plan. Got my point, guys? I am using this plan right now where I spend $3 out of $20. This is max plan. Real-time example with live domain. See, you can do that, Venkatesh, as you have know it. You can ask. I will give you right now. Cowork. What is a real-time live domain? I'll give you right now. Just you can listen with Cowork. In Cowork, what exactly we will do? If you notice this Cowork, Claude Code directly in your code base. Okay, you can use Cowork, power through task using Cowork, higher usage limit, deep research and analysis, all those things done by Cowork. You got my point? Now, if you, this is what, now what I'm going to do when I go back Cowork, first, let me tell you what I have decided to show you today. The two part we complete. This one we worked, this one we worked. Cowork introductions. Understood what is Cowork? Cowork is work like a team, fetch data, connect to anywhere, connect to MCPs, pull the data from PDF, extract the text, data cleaning, build dashboards, everything done, guys. So here, how to access any desktop folder. Let's see that. I'll go back to my Claude Cowork. In this Cowork, I will see that I have one file here, guys. So what is my file? Can you access to D drive? Now try this. So system D drive starting up. Let's see that when you install the progress is task is progressing. Okay, I can request. It is asking me that. Okay, I told my boss, I'm a boss. My team is a employee. I told my employee, hey buddy, can you open a D drive? Now the employee is open D drive. Now he'll respond, boss, what I do? I'll open now. I allow it. Okay. So it looks like mount root of the directory, D projects, D data. So what I'm going to do now, I wanted to go back to this D drive, just go back to the D drive and let's see D drive desktop, D drive. In D drive, I have my files and LinkedIn post files. Some random files are there. If you see that, some random files are there here, right? So I'm going to copy that and I will ask to that, sir, how to deployment, still suggestions, Swagger documentations, backend REST API. See, creating the UI integrations, them on front end. Yeah, you can do that, Suraj, but this is not the time to go for it. Let me finish. And deployment, if you want, you can ping me. I will tell you. Okay, Suraj, morning guy, right? Okay, again, the same guy. All right. So if you see that now, can you access these files? This is not the time to ask, man. You are morning batch, right, Suraj? Okay. So can you access this batch, this file, and ascending and ascending all the files? Okay. Based ascending all the files. Now hit enter. Do you see my Claude code, my Claude Cowork? Let me request access that files allow. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Okay, okay, no problem. So agent framework PDF. Do you see how many files I have? 46 file. Go back to that. Files. I have PDF also, guys. So it is not reading PDF. It is image files. Okay. Now video, new biotechnology. Everything it is read along with the title. It will read along with the title, guys. Have you noticed this? Yes or no? I'm asking that. Looks like it's great collections. Would like to do anything with the file? I'm saying, can you copy the book Train Your Brain PDF? Okay. Can you, what is the content from this file? Okay, maybe can you give the summarization, okay, in 100 line about Train Your Brain PDF? Do you see this, guys? Looks so powerful. What is Cowork doing? Now, if I go back to this file and where is Train Your Brain? This is my PDF. From the PDF, How to Think Smarter Every Day. So how to think smarter every day. This is the book I shared. I asked to my Claude Cowork and the Cowork is running and it's pull out the file here, 100 lines summarize. This guide presents 6 powerful practical tips to sharpen your thinking. The goal to help you become smarter and more strategic in everyday life. Do you see it's summarized or not? Team, isn't it awesome? Isn't it awesome? Yes or no, guys? Any file. Exactly. Yes, it's far better than MCP, Abdul. It is more better than MCP. Understood? Everything has MCP plugins in it. Got my point, guys. This is what another thing. Thank you, got Cody. A full 100 line summary. Excellent. Okay, MCP means Model Context Protocol. That you have to, I will share all those things. Okay, look at that now. It can arrange files, it can read the documents. So how many steps we follow? This one and this one. I want to build a dashboard from local file. The powerful of it now, many people don't use this one, but trust me, data analyst jobs in near future is killed by agent. So the one who, even though the faculties, the trainer who not updated, they also in danger. Everyone, guys. So I'll go back to this now. Add file. Okay. I'm saying go to desktop. I'll take any one batch. And here, modern batch. Let's take pandas. And I'll take this data now. Or maybe I will not go back to this file. Where is the file path locations? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Go to NIT morning batch 9 a.m. November pandas, and then copy this, and I'll say that, okay, can you read, can you read data Excel CS and create a interactive dashboard with summary. Now enter. MCP means model context protocol. Something went wrong. Go back. I think, okay, what I'm going to do now, let's copy that. And can you visualize for my business presentation? Try this. Okay. So it is asking me, yes, yes, project allow and allow. If I go for look at skills context, you have just 1 second. These are the files upload progress. The code is progress. This is the working folders. These are the context, which context, what PDF we've been working on. It is asking everything. I'm telling to create a dashboard. Are you writing any code? Am I writing grade data with birth rate? Yes. Invoke skill and build a professional dashboard. No, I'm not writing any code. I'm Claude. How can I help you today? Running command. So just wait. It is prepared data for dashboard. Working on it. So just use that. Bucket build to-do list. Just wait. Now everything, let me build full interactive dashboard. Look at that. Every characters, its process going on. Okay. See guys, my students, by attending the workshops, my students, most of the students build their freelancing websites and they get started incomes. Okay. So you can build a lot of things with this. Just wait. Do you see all the characters writing countries? So when the agent is writing, so cost is associated with it or not? Cost factor is associated with it. That's for true. Wait. So I think I need to go back. I don't want to. It's reading to HTML file creating now, writing country GDP dashboard. Okay. Do you see I haven't doing anything right now, but still it is generating dashboard. Isn't it, guys? Just wait how it creates the dashboard. I want to see that. Okay, I need another. Okay, 30 minutes. Just wait. So thank you for your patience. I really appreciate it. So guys, tell me, do you enjoy today's session? Just session is not complete. Wait, just for 30 minutes. I need another 30 minutes. Project, and one of my client is asking for dashboard to analyze, asking for to analyze hot, warm, cold. It will work. Use this Cowork, na? Use this Cowork, Krunal. It will work. True, true. See, that is what firing going on in Ganguly. If you see that my every batch, every day, few or 1 or 2 employees, they keep saying, "Sir, my job is gone." Even though if I don't study, if I don't study every day, so more freelancing is coming up. Today's session is I'm a MERN stack, but I don't have Python. So can you please guide on this? No, do not learn Python, buddy. You learn Python along with agentic AI. Got my point, Kishore? You are learn Munstack developer, right? Then apply job in Munstack, man. Why you switch it? Why you switch it? In Amirpet, there are many students are there. Did you know, guys? 6 months they will study Python. Next month they will study .NET. Next month they will study everything. They will finish. Let's see. Wait, wait. Come on, man. I think it will take more cost. Also, in the meantime, I want to take another website. What is the website? I want to go to Google, and from the Google, TCS net profit 2026. I wanted to ask TCS net profit summarize. So if I open link in new tab directly from the TCS accept all cookies. So here it is directly from the TCS websites. So now here, this is all the TCS website is here. Also, I'm using business standards. I wanted to share some real-time data here. This link, I'm copy this link and go to my Claude Cowork. Great. Do you see a dashboard is creating or not? Please check. Do you see this, guys? Now I'll copy that and here I'll go back to this now and this open. Okay, I think I need to log into this now. If you see this Google Cowork and Google Chrome allow, Google Chrome allow, mind blowing, man. Do you see this business owners? Look at you guys. Harish to business owners into real your courses. Do you see how did you means कितना अच्छा generate किया है यार? See the report. Who built it? I didn't write single code. People are learning Power BI to build this dashboard, isn't it? I mean, excellent, man. See that. Total countries. I can check high income group. Great. I can do that. And lower middle income, do that. Now check it. Internet. I want to find out which are the countries where high internet users, which are the country where low internet users, which are the country using less than internet users. How did you feel, guys? Tell me honestly. Experienced freshers, leaders. You tell me, guys, how, I mean, don't you think it's another level of what we called mind blowing, isn't it? Look at that. So I do teach I do teach Python, I do teach ML, I do teach AI, I do teach Gen AI, I do teach advanced agentic AI, I do teach everything. So this practical to build, if I build a dashboards to my students, which I'm explaining in Power BI or Tableau, it took me I mean, if I explain it, at least minimum 2 hours to 3 hours. But look at this. I mean, I mean, how to say this? Great. No code, nothing at all. Simply I fetch my content and generate. Guys, are you got my point? Another one. Okay, I just another two example. Thank you. I'll close it now and get back. I want to know, this is look at the business control. Okay. Q4 results net profit jumps. Venkatesh live use cases. So what kind of data you provided to generate this? Vishnu, listen to this. Very simple. I'm sharing one URL which get it from directly business standards safe article link. I'm gonna copy this now and I'll go for my cowork, Claude Cowork. And in this Claude Cowork, I'm asking, can you create a nice dashboard, okay, for the presentations dashboard? Man, I just didn't do anything. Now, for this kind of at least required max, but with Claude, look at that. I'm saying I take one HTML from here. I take one HTML from here, this HTML or which is web pages, and I try this and I'm saying, can you create a nice dashboard? Now open it, buddy. Now try this. Okay. Now this site is block. Access this website. How to access this? Wait. Dashboard. I say PDF for project, then how do changes? So this dashboard I save as PDF for project, then how to changes? Now, what is meant by how to changes? If we want to build own, Yes, Sridhar. You have to pay for it. Cowork never use freely. You have to pay for it. Just check that. If you want to build your own, you have to develop it. Understood? But see now, can you say does company can fire you or not? Tell me. If any Power BI is there, answer me, guys. If in the project, if Power BI developer is there, at least 10 developer, they use Cowork for $20. And don't you think the company can fire these employees? Answer me yes or no. Answer me yes or no, guys. Of course, yes. Definitely yes. Definitely yes, guys. Which LLM I'm calling Sonnet LLM. I have read all the data I need. I mean, the LLM, which LLM? Sonnet is LLM. Read the document and thinking and writing the file. This is all virtual agent. So that is what will this work? The live incoming data if I provide? Yes, Krunal, it will work. It will work. It will game changer. That is why everybody is. It's insane, buddy. It is insane. Just you need to pay and use. It will connect anything, guys. If you sit more time, if you have some amount, then you can generate leads, run your business, set up your own workflows. Last time I built OpenClaw. I will share the two link, guys. Please work. Today I will share the two link. Follow this. This is complete agentic AI link, Kimi LLM code and OpenClaw. Use this, use this, and today's YouTube link is this one. I'm going to copy that and here complete Claude. बस इतना सीख लो काफी है यार. Okay, four links I'm going to share in the chat. Now go back to my Claude Cowork. What is going on? Great. Okay, look at that. Now Google Chrome, allow. For C man. Okay, sir, how to use different skill set in Cowork? See, first you question is not important, Fahad. See, skills, you can add any skills. If you go back to skill, do you see this, guys? Yes. So I'm directly, see, you need to need one thing. I copy the HTML page. From HTML page, I created a nice graph, buddy. So would you see this now? Look at that. Key financial Q4 revenue on, I think 70,698 crore has increased. Net profit was 13,000. Margin and net margin is 19.8, which revenue VFSI has more. 31% revenue has extra created. If you see this quarterly revenue, these revenues would be excellent. And every breakdown, oh my God, it's I'm laughing at myself because I'm also learning Power BI these days. Yeah, Vishnu, see this now. Those days are gone. But see, the one who never used these tools, of course, they will talk about this or not. Team, agree with me now. Team, agree with me now. Exactly. That is what. That is what I'm saying. Okay, last one for today. Last one for the last POC. I hope you guys understood now. So just close it. And last one, okay, now what I'm saying, I'll close this. You can install this, you can install Claude extensions, guys. How do you go install extensions? Go to Google and you can install Anthropic Claude extension. I install Claude extension to Excel, Power BI, and everywhere. Anthropic extensions AI. So you can Anthropic extension. Now you try this. This is the first extensions you can use it. So I can add to the extension. Now I will go back to ask my prompt. Where is Claude Cowork? Last use case team. Uh, can you access my Gmail account? Can you access my Gmail account and read the latest email or read the email? I see, read the email which received, read the latest email, read the recent email which received from Naresh IT. Now open it. Now click it, guys. Okay, let me remove my plug. Okay. It looks like Gmail connection is running into an issue. Let me check your profile. And it seems like, okay, reconnect. I'm reconnecting to my Gmail and I am continue now. I'm authorized to this Gmail. So codydatascientist@gmail.com and continue. Do you see Claude can interacting to your Gmail as well? Claude Cowork. Open Claude now, and here if you see that Gmail, now I'll log into this. Just go to here. Now you check that. Okay, can you, okay, same code I'm gonna ask now. Here it is read now, guys. So let's talk about this one, Gmail. Okay, so I'm going to copy this command and go to this one and ask, okay, from Naresh IT, what is the latest Gmail I received from Naresh IT? Now approve plan and read Gmail. 1 second. Do you see this, guys? Try and searching for recent. I didn't type, guys. I didn't type anything. My agent only typings. Check it. Check it. Team, are you see my screen? Are you see my screen? Everyone, are you see my screen? Do you see how is it, guys? Isn't it like I mean, I want you to know that how agentic AI is danger mode. Now, I don't want to stop Claude. Let's no bias, nothing. Okay. So here, if you see that receiving, now check. It is read open. I didn't open. I didn't write anything, guys. My Claude Cowork. So telling Claude Cowork, I work as a team and went to that Gmail account and it's fetching the informations from it, guys. So it save time or not? Answer me. It save time or not? You run A3 systems and build multi agents for it. And now try this. Great, great. Navigating. Take a screenshots and let's close. Now try this. It fetch. It filtered out all informations. Take a screenshots and reviewing spreadsheet. Okay, click. I think it's everything. It take a screenshot now. Okay, this is what you got now. It's also taking a screenshots, guys. Cancel and close that. It take a screenshots and read the content and now click it. Just wait. Still it is loading now. Zoom, just wait. Just wait. See that. Just wait. Zoom, zoom, zoom. It is reading all the file. It filtered out from Naresh IT. I haven't doing anything. Everything done by Claude only. And it fetch all the content. Now try this. Okay. Now wait, it is reading all the file, Gmail account and recent email, not email which received from Naresh IT. Okay, I think it will read it rather than I should ask the prompt as here's summary. Great. Do you see, did I got response or not? Spreadsheet. Great detail for the email sent automatically to this one on behalf of HR. It contains preview of the with project related data, names, content. Mind blowing, man. Find data is already there. Find data already take a workshop. Team, how do you feel? Tell me, guys. Cowork is insane or not? Answer me. Claude Cowork is insane or not? How many of them agree to my point? How many of them agree to my point, guys? Team, I hope powerful, powerful. Damn, it's too powerful. Now Mythos is coming to the picture, so it's didn't launch yet, or else I would have been introduced you. So guys, if somebody watching, I really appreciate all. I'm neglecting Claude Cowork, but after this session, I'll have to pro plan Claude Cowork replacing manager. No, it's true. It's true. See, the one who not learn, so it's been a danger, very dangerous now. So guys, how did you like today's session? I need everyone's to see this. It got informations, and I would say thank you, and thank you for amazing and killing technology, killing knowledge buddy, killing knowledge memory, killing memory. And I would say thank you for amazing response, and goodbye, goodbye, and exit. I'll write it now, and I'll stop the service. So I'm gonna don't use. And what is the charges usage right now? If I go back to my just upgrade plane, and then if you go back to back step again, you have to go work. I hope you can see that. That's okay. Learn more uses policy. So guys, another thing. So let's open. We'll build all these things in depth. Okay, so I would really appreciate whoever there in till almost like 2 hour 45 minutes. Lot of learning. I mean, I told entire Claude in one workshops, guys, isn't it? So if you go back, we covered this one. We discussed like chart. What is chart? We used paid model and free model. I wanted to use free. Paid model you can buy. Claude Code. I'm sorry, yeah, Claude Code. Sorry, Claude Code was free and paid. Now Cowork I introduce. So entire Claude I'll explain in 2.5 hour workshop. Okay, if really you liked it, I need your at least one comments and one likes, and share. Okay, let me share all the code in the GitHub. You can find all the code from GitHub. Just close it now. You want me to share all the documents, guys? Everything? Okay, okay. So I'm going to, okay. So give me 5 minutes. I will just close everything, and all this images, I closed it. And let me close my cowork as well. And so could you please suggest what is best learning path for MCP.NET? MCP, I shared Mohammed. I will share government office. No, government office not works. Government office not works. Government office, you have to educate to the leaders. So I don't think so government can work it. So let's close. I will share. Give me one moment. I will share this project list. Go back to C drive and user admin. Just 1 second. AVS code, Anthropic. This is the code. So let me copy the code and go to C drive users. So here, go for uh, workshop at C drive. Okay, D drive, NIT, NIT batches. What is workshops? Just go to workshops and 2026 April month. So here, this is code. Okay. So Control S, I'm going to give all the file, live sessions. Thank you, John. Thank you for appreciating. And wait, I have to, where is my Git now? Where is my Git now? Just 1 second. So you can catch me on, I mean, I hope you have it. Just go to what we called as Git now. There's a lot of windows I opened here now, and I'll create repo. Okay. I think I need to remove my env file here. Just double click on it and I'll delete the env file. Okay. And or else my it will be, it would be an issue. Claude code. So Control X, I'll move it here and delete it. So this is Claude answer. So what I'm going to do now, let's click that and see, I want you to watch the YouTube. Just give me the live YouTube. I will share it now. Just 1 second. Skip it. Now try this now. And here, okay, just copy and try this. So this is my YouTube session. I will share this link to you. Team, appreciate your comments, likes. I need minimum 50 comments and 100 likes so that I bring more exciting workshops. You see me with new things because a lot of new topics coming up in agents, and we are working in it. And I'm sure I have to deliver a nice content to you guys. Then only you will get place and work. So where is that? So here I want to create an, I'm sorry. Just go back again, upload it here and choose your file. Go to desktop, D drive, NIT batches, workshop, and 2026 Anthropic. Let's drag everything and uh, open. Wait, it's going on. Sir, कौन सा future जाना चाहिए and safe होगा? Rupendra advanced to company. See, everything is, you can't say earlier software developer job is very high respected job, but now everything is gone. Cowork doesn't work in local, so how can we get hands-on? Who's Venkatesh Cowork in local? Man, we are using local, right? I fetch the data local, Claude Cowork, everything you can do that. You can use MCP for that also. Understood. Can I watch this video again? Yeah, sure. I'll share the YouTube link right now. Try that and commit changes. I will share this Git. See, API key, yes. Claude Code, so that if you're working in a company or freelancing, they will give you nuggets. Yes. So live YouTube videos, Control V, commit changes, commit changes. I'll share it now. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time, guys. So go back to the Anthropic Claude and please click it and then chart. Plans to start. Yep, maybe next. You need to wait for some time. Yes, we will start in advanced Gen agentic AI batch. It's all are same, man. Okay, now I do see many people are saying advanced, but they're not covered all the advanced topic. Thank you for this amazing. We may not have permissions. Can you open? I put it in a private now. Can you download? I'm getting 404. No, you can work. Let's copy that. And if you click on the first account, getting, yes, a download done. Download done. Great. Sura's done. Great. You can try. So, okay, let's close it. So let me minimize and no, John, I hope you need to download properly. So if you click that and you can click it here and you have to code and code space, go to local, download zip here, download zip. I want you to do this one, download zip and you can try this. Okay, if not, you can go to the first account. You can write my user, Cody get account. So let me write down user, just chart. I got it now. Okay. See, underscore is there, guys. You don't need to write, just click the link. Click the link, it will open. Just click the link. And hyphen is there. Got it now. How is the sessions? Very good. I really enjoyed it with work with Cowork. Because something when we train, we do learn a lot of things. And the way you ask your questions, I do have some strike back in the brain that, okay, they're using that. Anybody used in your office Claude Cowork? Anybody used in your office Claude Cowork in your organizations? Yes, either you can ask, you can implement. Great. Only at home for me. Okay. No problem, Scott. So not able to open the link. Uh, Chinna, you can open it. Now everyone can open it. Okay, team, any questions so far? Any questions so far? Great. So I think we almost done and it's almost 3 hours workshop I've been taken and love you all for stay till 3 hours and spend your time. Can we talk for 5 minutes? Subir, for what? May I know? I will unmute you. Okay, can you raise your hands, please? Can you raise your hand if you have any question? Okay, unmute you, Dilip. Unmute you, Subir. Please go ahead. How may I help you? No, I can't. I can't. I gave allow to talk. Ask to unmute. Ask to unmute. So speaker. No, I'm not able to listen your voice. I'm not able to listen your voice. Unmute. Can you bring that this one? The sound box, go and bring. So no, I didn't start any batch yet. Whenever we'll start, I'll get back to you. Okay. No, Subir, I'm not able to talk to you. Gulshan, please let me know. So you have to run another one, no? Just 1 second. I'm not listening your voice. 2021 BTech. Ronix for life. Bluetooth mode. Deputy is now connected. Okay. So just 1 second. No, guys, I think I'm unmute you. You're not speaking. Why I can't hear you? Just 2 minutes. Select speaker. Okay, headphone. Now anybody speak? In Claude.py. Still, I'm not speaking, guys. Still, nobody's speaking. Okay, don't know why mic is not working. Okay, Subir also not working. Gulshan also not working. Okay, no problem. So you can catch me on new data science J batch might be on April. You can connect with Arif. Arif has every time send a message. You can check that, Arif. Arif, can you post your number, please? Instructions completed. Very good. Very good.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, please, Gulshan.
सर नेक्स्ट बैच कब से स्टार्ट होगा सर?
नेक्स्ट बैच अभी तो मे बी अप्रैल में स्टार्ट होने वाला है। ठीक है।
अप्रैल में
तो
कौन से
आपको
वीक में
आरिफ
हो सकता
पता नहीं, वो तो नहीं पता नहीं, बट होगा। मतलब ये अप्रैल तो ये मंथ ही है ना, तो फिर आपको थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ेगा। नहीं तो एक बार आरिफ को करेक्ट करो।
है? जी
आरिफ,
सर।
आरिफ, डू यू हैव नंबर और मे बी आर यू देयर आरिफ? वन सेकेंड। ठीक है, एक बार एडमिन सब कनेक्ट करो।
जी सर।
आई विल शेयर द नंबर, जस्ट वन सेकेंड। जस्ट गो टू डेस्कटॉप एंड गुलशन, समझ में आ रहा है? मैं
जी
एक बार
सर।
नंबर दे दूंगा, कर जाओ तो फिर विल गेट बैक टू यू। ठीक है, वन
ओके सर।
सेकेंड। वेयर इज दैट? Okay, now I'm copy it and I'll paste it, guys. Can you please take my admin, Mr. Arif sir number? I'll post here. Where is my chart? So here we go, chart. Okay,
ओके सर।
thanks. So goodbye, guys. Yeah, Subir, unmute you. Gulshan, okay, I shared the number.
ओके सर। ओके, आई गेट इट।
Yeah, thank you. Yes, yes, please go ahead. Ganguly, unmute you. Omika, unmute you. John, unmute you. Please go ahead. How may I help you quick?
Yeah, I have a question because I tried to open the link you.
Which link? The GitHub link? No, still you're not clear. Omi can't mute you.
I said,
Hello.
Please.
sir, this is Nabarun this side, Nabarun Ganguly this side. So
Okay.
just want to understand, will this
Hmm.
topics would be covered in the data science program or it has a separate program altogether?
No, see, I see what if I take data science program, I'm covering.
Okay.
In data science program, it is 5 to 6 months program. I'm covering data science, Gen AI, agentic, advanced part. Everything I'm covering. I don't know about others. But if
Oh,
I take agentic AI, Gen AI class, data science not covered. That is what difference.
okay.
But
Got it.
I got my point. Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay,
And sir, thank you for the session, sir. I
thank
really
you.
love
All right. Appreciate your comments. ठीक है Ganguly. All right. And John, yeah, please. You're saying something. No, I think I'm unmute you guys, but still you're not talking. Okay, it's too late. It's 3 hours. Okay, so see you and happy weekends. And thanks for spending time with me, guys. Bye. And thank you one more time. Yeah, Omika, unmute you quick. I was.
Yeah, hello, sir. So, this is generative and agentic AI, right? Current
Hmm,
session you have taken.
hmm, hmm,
So,
hmm, hmm.
for developer perspective, which course is the best and which is, this session intention is um, to
So
introduce some,
this is, let me tell you, this is one of the Anthropic is powerful platform which introduce in the world. Okay, so this is part of the advanced agents, guys. So Cowork is an agent, Cowork is a multi-agent. So this all comes in advanced agentic AI. And if a lot of faculties they don't teach all of them because they never explore it. Got my point?
yeah. So, generally, for developer
Are you working
perspective,
professional? See,
yes.
leave that word, man. Developer. Leave that word. What is meant by developer? Will you pay if you're a developer? Then only they'll pay. No, don't you think developer create a back end front end? It is leave that question itself wrong. There is no question developer. Now, for developer point of view, if you need only build code, then do not learn Gen agentic AI. Just learn only Python, learn only Java, and go for developing part. Got my point?
Yeah. Okay.
Omika, you understood now. If you need
I
only
understand all.
let me tell you, if you only need a develop, what is meant by developer? You develop a game, you develop a app. Developer means normally you write a backend code, isn't it? So for
Correct.
backend code, you have to learn Python, you have to build ML code, computer vision code, NLP code, AI code. For developer point of view, these data science ML AI is benefit for you. Understood? If you don't need to write much code, less code, agentic AI, you have to go for these things, guys. So first DS, ML, AI, Gen AI, agentic AI. Got my point?
Sir, can you repeat once again?
So see, the way we have like uh, school, high school, college, PhD, exactly. So the first one,
Mhm.
Python, data science, machine learning, AI, generative AI, agentic AI. Then quantum AI. That is the pipeline to study the process plan.
Okay.
Understood, Omika, what I'm saying? Clear now?
So, so the pipeline, whatever you said now, once, what is the duration for this complete pipeline to prepare?
Duration,
Approximate.
I will teach you 5 to 6 months, but for you it will take every day. If you spend 5 hours, then it will take 5 to 6 months. If you're working professionals, if you don't spend, it will take maybe 1 year.
Okay. So once we complete the course,
Mhm.
what kind of workforce or job we can expect from this?
If you learn data science, you'll apply data science dot developer jobs. If you learn Gen AI, you can apply Gen AI developer job. Are you a working professional or fresher?
Working.
Working. If you learn Java, what application you can apply, man? Java developer, right?
Yes.
If you learn data science, you become a data scientist, Gen AI developer, agentic AI developer, machine learning model, principal data scientist, these computer vision engineer, AI engineer, these developer job you expected.
Okay. Assume there is a person. He's working in a some Java
Don't
.NET
assume.
last.
You talk about you. You talk about you.
No, I just wanted to speak about in generic approach where
Hmm.
applicable for everyone. So assume, sir,
So.
it is a 7 to 8 years of .NET or Java experience developer.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
what he has to do in that in present situation? Which course he has to go?
Where is see? First thing, never connected with your old learning to new stuff. If you are 70 to 8 year experience or maybe 15-year experience, if you're a Java developer, first thing, as you 8 years you code, you need to look for a next promotions. First thing, understood now?
Okay.
Second thing, no, there's a three branches you can create. So another branch is, if you want to learn data science, Gen AI, agentic AI, if you want to come to this part, let me share the screen. I think you completely messed. Let's give a one note. Now open this now. Okay, are you see my screen?
It
What's your name?
is double click to enter full screen. Okay.
Now can
It
one
is
second.
has
I
started share. No, your name
share
is
window is
coming.
closed. Just one second. One second. Why it's closed? Share now. Just draw and
Yeah, now
okay.
it's your screen came.
Now it's clear, right?
Yeah, your screen
So if
coming
you are
now.
you are Java 8 plus, assume 10 plus, assume 15
Mm.
plus. First, if you need to end of the story, money speaks, correct? End
Correct.
of the story is salary. If you learn for Java, there is three approach. First
Okay.
thing, as you are a Java developer, go to another company with the Java experience. This is one role. Another
Yeah.
role, learn beginning data science, okay, machine learning, AI, deep learning, Gen AI, agentic AI. This is another branch. Another
Okay.
branch is cloud. Okay,
Okay.
AWS, Azure, you decide which one you'll go.
Mm-hmm.
You want to
See,
go for Java sector, you can go for it.
okay, assume the first pipeline like development approach only. Since he's
Hmm.
working last 8 to 10 years in the development part, so he's into development only. But
Hmm.
in AI generation, what he has to
Hmm.
study? Yeah, he already know the
You have to
Java.
study this man. You have to study this man. Even though you learn this, you can
Uh,
integrate to here also. Understood or not? Java
but
developer
data
also
s-
need to. Uh,
again,
tell me,
data
tell.
science is a very big concept.
Don't
So
study then. Study AI, Gen AI, agentic AI then.
okay.
I am telling, as you said, general approach. I'm saying, man, every
Mm,
time assumption is not important. Look at, see how I think. Practically, if I speak with you, I don't, what's your name, buddy? I forgot your name. I'm sorry.
Omik.
Omika.
Uh, mm,
Practically, if I think, assume I'm an 18-year experienced guy, right?
mm,
Or maybe
mm,
now next 19-year guy. If
mm,
I want to see, I will look the market. I will see the 25 years, what would be the package now? So which
mm.
giving more package? I'll go back to the social media. I will find out. I will focus
Okay.
target for this course.
Okay.
Got my point? That is the right way of approach. Now,
Correct.
on your case, assume if you're 8 plus guy, you 8 plus, 9 plus, 10 plus, 8 plus guy easily fired up. If developer, just now you see that, right? Entire sessions, what do you understand, buddy? Claude code, develop all the code, right? There is no
Mm,
requirement of this in the project. If 10 developer required, 8 developer company firing, 2 developer and plus AI LLM used it.
mm.
Now, by hook or crook, you have to learn. Got my point?
Okay.
I wanted
So
to think practically. Being a
mm,
professional, work like a professional. Got my point?
okay. Okay.
Hmm. Please go ahead. Any more question, Omika?
Hello,
No.
hello, sir.
What is the course currently you are dealing with related to the generative and agentic these
I am
things?
dealing with 3 codes FSDS with Gen AI and Agentic AI. It takes 5 to 6 months course. First one, okay.
Okay.
Second one, Gen AI and Agentic AI. This is going to be 3 months. And third one, next one, I'll start maybe advanced Gen AI and Agentic AI 3 months. Whenever the announcement will come, you will get to know. So that is what I post one, my admin number. His name is Arif. So you can connect to him. He can guide you and keep it our Naresh IT website.com, Naresh IT Instagram, Naresh IT YouTube. Got my point?
Uh, Okay. So what is that FSDS full form?
Full stack data science. In full stack, I will cover backend, will cover front end. That's called full stack.
Okay.
You are experienced,
That
right?
yes.
And you asking full stack means, got my point? Okay, Omika. I think you have a lot of questions. Please write down all of the question, and whenever the next time we'll talk, please ask. Okay, no worries. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Subir,
Thank you.
please go ahead. That's it for today, guys. We'll time up and we'll connect. Thanks. Anyone? Ananya, quick.
Yeah, first of all, thank you very much for our session and yeah, great knowledge. Yeah, I would yeah appreciate your time. Yeah, question is like for experienced guy, like having that
Hmm.
second in the pipeline you explained, starting with the DS and
Hmm.
yeah, starting with the DS and AI and genetic AI, right? So
Correct. That is the
I
proper. If I'll tell you, nowadays fresher experience both are same. Am I correct, Vinu? If
mm,
you are doesn't know anything, doesn't know any knowledge, now people, do you know many institutes are full experience very easily? Agree with me? I can fool any. I mean, why I'm
mm,
saying, as they have few knowledge, they try to finish course in 1 month. come on, guys. 1 month. Do you think any learn? You don't know what is Python function, how OOPS works, and
Yeah.
how exactly build ML model. How do you build agentic AI? Tell me. Do you think company used AI tools they will pay you? No, right? So many experienced people like that, without knowledge, they'll finish agentic. After that, they don't know. And they'll say, I complete this course. Got my point. If you have doesn't mind whether it's 20 plus year experience, but here is pipeline is important. To
Got
construct a third floor, foundation is important. First is
correct.
important.
Mm.
Second is important. That is what the proper pipeline. Got my point.
Got it, sir. So yeah, we already like first floor and second floor that experience we
Exactly.
I do have. So now I am looking from you were teaching. So like
If I tell you, if you looking, if you know Python already, see, machine learning now automated by agentic AI. I teach machine learning, I do know advanced agentic AI. I
mm,
know how ML models are automated by agentic AI. That doesn't mean that we left to build ML model required to build AI. Every
mm,
company doesn't use agentic AI because
mm,
do you think ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, they used LLM? Then our bank accounts are very dangerous, isn't it?
mm, yeah.
So there is a lot of companies, a lot of switch happens. So we are learning to grab new technology to know how it works. And that I'm saying any codes we take that should be learned in depth, not in just for 1 month, 2 month. Okay, clear? Thank you.
Yeah, I got you, sir. Like what I am expecting from you. Do you have any batches like how you explained in the 3 hours of the workshop, right? The cloud
Hmm,
code.
hmm.
Like as experienced people, do you have any separate batches? Not everyone having,
No,
not
see,
from the
a
scratch and all that.
5:30 p.m. I was taking Gen Agentic AI batch. It was for all our experience only.
Ah, okay,
But
okay, that I
here,
don't know.
but here what we say that whenever we take Gen Agentic AI or advanced Gen most experienced people only come up. And the problem of the experienced guys, they're not studying. They will say first 2 days they're happy, and second 2 days I have a meeting, I have a headache, I have body pain, I was
Yeah,
busy. You're busy, so what to do then? Am I correct or not?
yeah, that is our problem, not your problem.
Exactly. So that's true, na?
Yeah.
And when the people come back and he's a hero, experienced guys are hero, and they will come back after 3 months. Did you cover this? Did you cover that? What do you speak? Tell me now. So
Got
this
you,
is
sir.
another kind of people I see. Many experienced guys are there, and I'll see, man. This type of creatures are there.
No, no, I agree, totally agree with you, sir. People they will initially enthusiasm, then
But
they
I
will.
do see some of experienced people, their leaders, they're dedicated a lot, and the
I
transition very
I
nice.
wa-
Really
I want
liked
to
it.
associate it with you if you are running that serious people the batch. Kindly let me know. I am
I
interested
how
in
do I
it.
know?
Like yeah,
So
you were daily
we
handling the batches, right, sir? So
no.
based
What
on that,
happened whenever the session is there, I will talk to my people. I will try to solve the query, and if you need any advanced things, we will talk in the batches. Okay,
great. Okay,
you
sure. Thank you. Mm.
okay, guys? Goodbye, and that's it for today. Thank you. Okay, so guys, you can John. I'm sorry. Just quick question, right? My bad. I think I haven't unmute you. Where are you? Just
Uh,
did
Hello,
you? Yeah, please.
I'm Prakash. Are you able to hear me now?
I can hear you.
At last. Okay. I'll not take much time here. I
Please,
just
please.
wanted to know, see, I am working in a AWS cloud.
Hmm.
Um, I'm not sure how I can use this one. So need some like a guidance or a mentor or whatever you said. You have a much expertise in this section. So if you can guide me on that part on what kind of training you are taking, if you want to tell me, I really appreciate that.
See, I
I
see.
I know I'll not take much time, or maybe whenever you are
No,
free,
no,
I can talk, or maybe I can chat.
no. What I'm saying, you look what is your requirement first. If you ask me to talk, I can talk many things, which is really doesn't. But see, as you
Okay.
expert in AI, as you expert in
My
AWS, yeah.
my background is I'm working in a AWS cloud as a
Hmm.
data architect. I'm
Hmm.
having a good experience
Hmm.
and a working professional. And
Hmm.
what else I can say? Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what
I can
from my.
understand that is. But as you expert in AWS, you try
Mhm.
to, if you learn GenAI agentic AI for you, see, you not write like a developer, right? So for you,
Mhm.
best approach is learn GenAI agentic AI course and integrate these applications in your AWS. Very simple.
Right. The thing is, I'm just trying to understand. Like you have created the application, you have connect with the application, the like a Power BI kind of things,
Mm.
dashboard for a real life, a real time project. How
Mm.
to connect this
Mm.
AI tool or agent with that project. Let's say in the real life we have the database, a backend
Can you
database,
tell me
we
how
have
to see?
files.
Everything is possible, buddy. You
Okay,
see,
that's what I'm
being a
asking. So these are the
no, no,
possible.
it's possible. Possible is there. No worries. No worries. Or got my point. Say ChatGPT, you can use every project or not. Like ICICI Bank has bought, right? That
Hmm.
bot was trained by developer. Now you can connect with LLMs. So before
Right.
you purchase any API key, see, I want to tell you, every company is doing POC. Java is exist in the market since long ago. But agentic AI, Gen AI is, when did you heard ChatGPT? Just 2 years back, right? So
Hmm.
still companies are doing research, POCs, and when they're doing one by one automations, you see the layoff is going on, right? So why do
Okay.
you think layoff is going on? Do you see when the dashboard is created by agent, which co-work agent, multi-agent, why do they hire? Assume you have a company and you have a power, and by losing of 5 employee and you saving of 5 lakhs rupees or not? So it goes to the bank, goes to the companies revenue generations. That's the way the companies are gaining a revenue.
Now the thing is, important part is you have shown me one is like a on-prem, another one is cloud.
Mm,
Security purpose. Uh, if I use on-prem,
mm.
uh, will that be like a up to date? Like a shall I get that proper information, or maybe I need to update frequently? First point, and second point, like is there any because even though it is on-prem, still it is like a connect with the internet
Mm.
for the application. So are those data secure enough? I mean, do you have any idea? I'm just asking. I'm
So when I say right
I know it is
now,
open world at this moment.
no, that's fine. That's fine. So as you ask, I have to answer. See, no Chinese guys are secure nowadays. Am I correct?
That's true. That's
So
true.
when you say Chinese client, Hong Kong client, do you think they work on a security they damn care about? Do you see every company is doing data migrations from DB to cloud? Why they do it? Do you think AWS secure? We are saving all the file in Amazon account, and we have file all in a Microsoft. See, nowadays nobody is secure, man. Just for a safety
True.
purpose, we are creating agreement, and we are giving Aadhaar card to the bank. Do you think how come you get in calls from these random guys like Book My Show, like the money control apps, these
That's
guys, you
true.
never give your numbers, right? But still,
True.
yes,
Yeah.
how come it's happening? Hey, to be honest, their
Yeah,
agreement is
everyone
fine.
knows everything, but still they are asking, no, secure.
Exactly, na, exactly, na. See, agreement I have to sign. Okay.
That's
But
true.
there is no guarantee. When I buy the house, when you buy the house, we go to the guy. He said, "No, confidential. I don't show." When you say I don't want to buy, he will show that. See, sir, last time this guy used buy and he have this account. You go to the bank people and they will say, "I want to save 3 crore in my bank account." He will display other information detail or not to give the leads. See,
That's
simple
true. Yes.
scenario I'm saying,
Yeah, you are
everybody
right.
is not secure, but we are satisfy the company people that yes, we are safe. If you think practically and genuine, and you got my point what I'm speaking.
Yeah, I mean, you're absolutely right. There is no that. That's why I'm asking how to
No
secure
worries,
the
no
thing.
worries. So see, right now, a lot of
Because
research is
even
going on. Let me tell you, right now, a lot of research is going on. It might happen in future. Okay, so we'll talk next time. It's late now. Thank you
yeah,
so
yeah, sure.
much.
Sure. So
Okay,
I
John. Yeah,
Yes.
please go ahead, John.
Yeah, thank you, Prakash. Yeah, by the way, I have a quick question. Regarding with the GitHub account, it seems like it's private because I tried to open it, but still
Uh,
I'm getting for
wait,
error.
wait. I'll share it now. Uh, I think many of them. Can you click now? Which one share? What error you got, John? Can you
Yeah,
please check?
this one.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm still getting for error.
So how did you just when you click the link you got error? That's what you're saying?
Yeah.
1 second. I think can you try my username?
What's your
Cody
what's
Git.
the password for this?
You can click that. Yes, same here. You need to give the underscore. Have you give the underscore there? I mean hyphen is there. Can you give the hyphen?
Okay, I'm gonna remove the hyphen for this.
Can you try give a hyphen remove or add?
Okay, hold
I
on.
think people are getting it.
I'm
Try
sure
that.
you're getting it because
Same error.
yeah, there you go. I think yeah, it's now working.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much, Prakash.
Thank you. Thank you so
All
much.
right, thank you very much. Bye-bye.
All right, guys. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
So talk to you later, guys. And thank you, team. Goodbye and
All right.
happy weekends, everyone.
Okay, thank
Thanks,
you.
team.